right, my lords, to park my car in a cafe. He comes and rams into my car.
Cafe?
My lords?
What kind of cafe?
Cafe, my lords, Girivardhan Cafe. It is on
Cafe.
Chikmagalur,
Alright.
Belur Cafe.
Mm.
He runs into my car.
Mm.
Then, my lords, I take him to the hospital, pay 55,500, my lords, in total for medical expenses. Husband, my lords, executes an agreement to that effect. 2 days thereafter, my lords.
Where is the agreement?
My lords, agreement, my lords, my lord will find that annexed H, page 35.
Yenanta?
My lords, idrali, page 36.
Agreement ಏನು sir?
Agreement, my lords, for receipt of entire sum, and they will not file any cases against me.
1 HCGP, 2 emergent notice. There shall be an interim order of stay for the further investigation in crime number 274 of 2025 till the next date of hearing. Yes. Great. Next. Copy will be released only after compliance.
I will comply today, tomorrow.
Settlement.
Reporting settlement 50.
ಅದು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಅದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ನಿಮ್ದು ಯಾವ್ದು ಮಯೂರ್ ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್? ನೀವು ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Settlement. List 1 reporting settlement 71. Serial number 71.
71 ಅಲ್ಲ, serial number 277 and
71 ಇಂದ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Oh.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ.
For the petitioner in this case, Lord.
Offense.
498 and
Parties.
short accommodation may be granted.
Parties short accommodation.
Parties present ಇಲ್ಲ. Final conditions ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಆಯ್ತು. ಯಾವತ್ತು ಬೇಕು?
Monday.
ಮಂಡೇ ಅಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? Tuesday. Monday is a holiday. Sorry, Republic Day. Yes.
28. Lord.
28th. Yes.
72. It's 73.
Petitioner merits.
376.
506 IPC.
Huh?
That's
376.
against
376,
A1 it has been split up and committed to Sessions Court. A2 and A3 is present before this honorable court. 506 and 34 my lords.
A2 and A3 ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಪಡೆ ಮಾಡಿ? Who refused to sign? ನೀವಾ? ಈಗ?
Complainant is the wife, my lord. Petitioner in one petition is the husband and in another petition is the sister-in-law. Now, my lord, there are parallelly, there were other proceedings that arose out of the matrimonial issues and all of them are settled. Now, in this particular case, my lord, for me to sign, there is an NOC related to my daughter's passport, which has to be issued by the husband.
Yes.
Now,
Not
he is
issued?
Not issued.
What bidding?
My lords, the issue is that was not entered into the settlement agreement during the course of
I
settlement.
will pass a judicial order now. If you want settlement, issue NOC.
My lords, the
ಮಗು
petitioner.
ಜೊತೆ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ಬೇಡಿ.
No, my lords.
ಇಬ್ರು don't do that.
My lord,
The
she's- my
respondent has the
daughter's-
custody.
Custody may be there. Passport ge your NOC will, I will say NOC is not required.
My lords, they are asking NOC because they want to move abroad for a child.
course,
So, my
yes.
lords, the petitioner is.
ನಾವು ಈಗ settlement ಏನು separation
So far-
union?
Separation, my lord.
Then why are you worried?
My lord,
So far as,
separation without
so far as the
alimony.
settlement is concerned, my lords.
Separation without alimony.
Without alimony.
So far as that settlement is
ಈಗ-
concerned, my lords.
ಈಗ NOC, I will pass a judicial order. NOC
But
is not
he's
required.
chronic alcoholic. He's already in the.
Don't worry
de-addiction
about it. I will pass a judicial order. I have myself held in cases after divorce where custody is with the mother, no NOC is required for the passport. Let husband give or not give, not bothered.
My lord, so
anything
far as
else,
the
sir?
settlement is concerned,
Anything else, sir?
the one of the other terms of the settlement is for visitation. I have not been given the visitation for the past 6 months.
Alimony ತಗೊಂತಲ್ವಾ?
Lord, if he
No, my lord,
comes to Bangalore and we are ready to cooperate for the
I will
visitation.
record that also.
the submission is that
Lord, my daughter
he's
is
in-
16 years
he's
old.
he's
She
residing
has to
outside of-
apply abroad for
ಒಂದ್
certificate.
ನಿಮಿಷ ಕೊಡಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
he's residing outside Bangalore.
Who?
The petitioner, the father,
Okay.
the only request was to arrange for a video call. That also has not been made, my lord.
That they will cooperate.
So the
Don't worry
petitioner is
about
not
it. Don't
complying
worry
for that,
about
my
it.
lords.
I will record that also.
We will cooperate for the visitation.
Seriously, yes. ಆಮೇಲೆ?
My lords, may I seek some indulgence in this matter for instructions from the petitioner?
No problem. If the husband wants to dodge, saying that I will not give NOC to the passport, I will write no NOC is required. All right?
My
One
lords.
problem solved. Next.
That's the
Next,
only.
visitation.
The only problem. my lord.
Visitation and video call. She will agree. Ashana?
I'll seek necessary instructions.
You can't hold someone to ransom contrary to
No,
law.
I have in fact tried my best to
You
persuade
you need not try your best, sir. I will pass a judicial order
Absolutely.
saying that his signature is not required at all.
Please,
Where will you stand?
absolutely. I have no qualms about that, my lords, but
That's all. Don't try to dodge the wife even after separation. Live in peace. You live in peace. Let her live in peace with her child. Yes. ಅದೊಂದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಯ್ತಿದ್ದು.
Only one issue, my lord. NOC kotre, we are ready for the settlement. We are ready to
ಯಾವ
settle.
NOC ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ನಾನೇ.
Grateful.
Then over.
That's what, my lord. I'll seek the final
No, you
instructions
don't
from the
seek anything.
indulgence.
Where is the party? Where is the husband?
I have filed a memo for dispensation because he's in rehabilitation center and he doesn't
Oh,
have
he is
access
alcoholic,
to,
huh?
Please, my lord. Chronic.
he doesn't have access to the technology devices also, my lords. So I
So
filed
he's
a
given
memo
you
for,
authorization.
my lords.
He's authorized whom?
He's not authorized anybody in particular, my lords. The second petitioner in the petitioner's second petition is a sister-in-law. She is also working abroad. So she's not able to come. So I filed dispensation with respect to both of them.
So where is it settled? Here only or before the
In the
family
divorce
court?
court.
Family court, my lord.
ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ
Settlement
husband
is
was
gone.
present, others
Was
were
present.
Yes,
Mediation
yes.
agreement ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಬ್ರು
mediation
sign
agreement
ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು.
ಇದೆಯಾ?
There is.
Then I will
That's
close
fine.
it.
My request is at least what, if a day is given for at least letting him know that this NOC has to be given. If
No,
not,
need
my
not
lords,
be
then,
given. Why you want to let him know?
my lords,
NOC need not be given, sir. He
I
will not give
totally
NOC
understand, my
also.
lords. I will communicate this to the,
No, no,
to
not
the
necessary.
petitioner
Why?
and,
I have to wait for your communication.
no, my lords, I'm only
Then
seeking for 1 day's indulgence, my lord.
I'll take it tomorrow.
Absolutely.
Tomorrow
That's
at
all I'm saying.
1:15.
Absolutely.
Yes, tomorrow I'll do it.
Grateful, my lord.
NOC you need not take NOC from me.
Please.
Grateful, my lord.
74,
Petitioner, second respondent.
Offense.
490, 34, 594,
490?
490,
419 ಇದೆ.
419,
Yes.
420. Civil dispute.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಸೆಟ್ಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
ಹಾ, ಆಯ್ತು.
ಬಿಡಿ. ಏನಿದೆ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್? ನೀವು ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರು?
ಹೌದು
ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದಾ?
ಹೌದು
ಈ ತರ ಕೊಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಶನ್ ತರ ಕೊಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಶನ್ ಕೊಡು.
ಹೌದು.
ಸರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಪಾಸ್.
75,
In this case, my lord, appear for respondent number 2, my lord. 106 subclass 1, 304A, compromise ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮೆಮೊ. ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್
307ಗೆ ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಂತೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 35 lakhs ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಗ್ರಾಂಡ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಅದೇನ್ ಅದು ನೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. ಜೀವೈ ಎಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ ಹಾಕಿದೆ. ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಶಂಕರ್ ವಕಾಲತ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಈ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಹಾ ಸರಿ. ಎಸ್
76, 76,
My lord, I appear for petition. Kindly it may be taken up 13, my lord.
ಒಫೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನು?
498A, 504.
For R2, my lords, we filed wakalat.
Learned counsel so and so submits that she's entered appearance for the respondent, registry to print the name of so and so is appearing for the respondent. ಯಾವತ್ತು ಬೇಕು ಮೇಡಮ್?
30, January 30.
30th at 2:30.
Obliged.
ಅದಲ್ಲ 30th at ಮೇಡಮ್ 30th ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಬೆಂಚ್ 31st ಹಾಕ್ಲಾ?
Obliged.
31st 1:15.
77, 78,
Please, my lord. Look, 4 cases.
420.
420
Please, my lord.
offense.
498A, 420 DV Act. 4 cases in all. My lord, annexure C, my lord, page 18.
Package.
What is the present?
Package ಅಂದೆ.
Package settled in the family court.
Settlement package.
Settlement package. Before the, arrived at before the family court.
Family court.
ಕೊಡಿ ಅದು.
Page 18, my lord.
304 ಅಂದ್ರೆ
4. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು end of the list one.
Move ಮಾಡಿದೆ.
15.
Criminal petition 701.
Serial number 77, 78, serial number 2, and 15 of the
ಏನ್ ಸೆಪರೇಷನ್ ಯೂನಿಯನ್?
nullity, annulment of marriage.
Yes. ಜವೆಯಲ್ಲಿದೆ.
230.
All four. ನಿಮ್ದೇ ಮಯೂರ್?
My lord, in the
ಯಾರಿಗೆ?
end of the list, my lord, we'll be filing our wakala.
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ, all right. ಯಾರು ನೀವು ಹಾಕ್ತಿರದ ಅಥವಾ ಇವರ ಸತ್ಯನಾರಾಯಣ?
ನಾನು all the three ಹಾಕಲ್ಲ.
ಎಸ್.
Grateful.
Order sheet signature.
My lords, office objection ಇದೆ ಅದು.
ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಯಾವ objection ಬಿಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಎಸ್.
ಇಲ್ಲ, if they want, I have, it's ready.
Don't worry, settlement ಗೆ ಯಾವ objection? Yes.
ಇಲ್ಲ, major office objection.
Reporting settlement and 230 moves, seal number 16, Arnav A. Bagalwal.
What is this, Arnav?
403, 406 and 420, my lords. There's a settlement agreement. Lords, this there online.
Wakalat for the respond number 2 in this.
Learned counsel so and so undertakes to enter appearance for the respondent. Where is the settlement?
My lords, page 139 onwards. My lords,
Supreme
page-
Court ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ?
Sorry,
Supreme Court ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿತ್ತಾ?
how's my lords? We had challenged it earlier. Parties are now entered into a settlement wherein an amount of 4.2 crores are to be transferred. Lords, I've sought for an interim prayer insofar as direction to the respondent number 3 to
Defreeze, huh?
my lords, to transfer, make the bank transfer of certain amounts which are part of the settlement agreement. My lords, may kindly take page 143.
No, that's now he has to transfer, is it?
My lords, respondent number 3 is ICICI.
Who is respondent? ICICI Bank.
ICICI Bank.
Bank.
Bank is not a party here.
Respondent number 3.
Respondent number 3.
Who appears? ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳೋದ್ ಬೇಡ್ವಾ?
Xavier, my lords, I'll take out notice.
You serve on Xavier, Francis Xavier. I'll take it on Friday.
Please.
Francis Xavier is directed to accept notice for the respondent number 3 registry to print the name of Francis Xavier as appearing for the respondent number 3. List the matter on Friday at 1:15. 1 o'clock.
I'm sorry.
Madam.
In 701, criminal petition 701, in the prayer column, I have wrongly mentioned the court hall number. That
You
may-
forget that, madam. Don't worry.
No. To file that judgment or whatever copy there, so we may not fall.
ಓ ಆ ತರ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. Yes.
So I have the memo.
Madam, correction.
We take an
ಅದೇ
answer.
ಜವೆ ಕೊಡಿ. Correction madam. All.
Please.
230 moot matters. Fresh matter. KV Satish Chandra.
The petitioner was released from the Parapanagrara on
ಪರಪ್ಪನಗ್ರಹಾರ?
ಹೌದು 19/11ಕ್ಕೆ
ಹಾ.
ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ.
ಹಾ.
ಅವತ್ತಿನ ದಿವಸನೇ ಪೀಣ್ಯ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ನವರು ಅವನನ್ನ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು.
ಬೇರೆ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿರ್ಬೋದು.
No, there is no crime. There is FIR is there. As on that day, executive magistrate, the DCP has inquired it. 19th itself is to be was an order for page number 16 you are on.
Offense ಏನು?
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಪ್ರಹೆನ್ಷನ್ ಏನು 134 ಇದು ಅವನು ಪೀಸ್ ನ ವೈಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ.
107.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಹಳೇದು 107.
ಹಳೆ 107, 134 ನಾವು.
ಹೌದು, ಈಗ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನನ್ನ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಇಲ್ದಲೇನೆ 1 year ಇಂಪ್ರಿಸನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪೋಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಈಗ 3 ತಿಂಗಳಿಂದ ಅವ್ನು ಜೈಲಲ್ಲಿ, 2 ತಿಂಗಳಿಂದ ಜೈಲಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. 19th ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
What's your name? You are from which place?
ಪೀಣ್ಯ.
ನೇಪಾಲ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ?
ಜೈಪ is my old name.
Old name Nepal. Present name Pina.
ಪೀಣ್ಯದಲ್ಲೇ ಇರೋದು. ಮೈ ಮದರ್ is ಅಲ್ಲ, there is alleged ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಲವಾರು ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ಇದಾವೆ ಅಂತ, ಎಲ್ಲವುದನ್ನು ಅಕ್ವಿಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅವನು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದಂಗ್ಲೇನೆ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ, ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ FIR itself you are on FIR and complaint. ಅವನು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು SHO ಮುಂದೆ ಇದನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾರನೇ ದಿವಸನೇ ಇದ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರೇನೆ ಇದನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ರೈಟ್ ವೈಲೇಷನ್ ಇವರ.
Wait sir. What's all this?
Security matters. I already served the copy to the
ಕಾಪಿ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತೀವಿ.
Because 2 months in the, because I produced.
ಈಗ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕಸ್ಟಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಾರಾ?
ಜೈಲಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. I produced 2 sureties your honor, that ACP Deputy Commissioner of Police is not ಇವ್ರ ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ.
I produced 2, is in custody for 2 months your honor, only old age mother.
Old age ಅದು ಬೇಲ್ಗೆ ಆಯ್ತು. Wait. Yes, learned HCGP is directed to accept notice to show cause as to why petitioner has been taken back to prison despite the grant of bail, immediately after grant of bail without any rhyme or reason, particularly for an offence under section 135 of the BNSS 107 of the earlier regime, the CRPC. List the matter on Friday. Instructions be sought by then. If no instructions are sought, this court will be constrained to direct to set the petitioner at liberty. Yes.
Fresh matter.
Fresh matter.
Seal number 2, Raghavendra K.
For the petitioner in this case, that's 138 of NA Act, my lords. The petitioner is the accused before the trial court, my lords. Long back, the petitioner has filed application under section 45 of the.
Long back?
Long back.
How long?
1.5 year long back. Application came to be filed by the petitioner under section 45 of the Evidence Act for referring the signatures of the check and another document, my lords. My lords, after hearing of both the sides, my lords, the learned magistrate, my lords, will also may kindly come to page number 49, my lords.
Reject madidara?
Alla, ಈಗ reject ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Presiding officer has been changed, my lords.
ಈ ಚೆಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಹೇಳಿ?
It's there at page number 72, my lords.
ಏನ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಪರಿಂಗ್?
Please, my lords. And also only reason given by the
reason ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್. ಏನ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಪರಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್?
ಅಲ್ಲ, the check
ಟ್ಯಾಂಪರಿಂಗ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ?
My lords, he has no,
sir,
I have not given.
Section 45 ರೆಫರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ to the bare eye there should be some tampering seen.
My lords, you will actually make
ನೀವು ಬಂದಿದ್ದ ಡೌಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೋರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ? ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
No, my lords, actually, my lords.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬನ್ನಿ ಪೇಜ್ 72.
You will actually make kindly turn next page, my lords, 73. That is another document has been created by the complainant.
ಅದು ಬೇರೆ, ಅದು ಚೆಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು.
That is on that basis only they have filed a
ಇರ್ಲಿ, ಇದು
complaint, my lords.
ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, that is not my signature. Both the documents I have asked to refer the FSL, my lords. Exhibit P1 and P6, my lords.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟ್? 5,50,000.
5,50,000.
ನಿಮ್ ಸೈನ್ ಯಾವುದು?
Paid by.
ನಿಮ್ ಸೈನ್ ಯಾವುದು?
My signature, my lords. After that, my lords, the land magistrate directed me to file a 91 application for summoning of the specimen signature card.
ಹೆಸರೇನು ಸರ್?
My lords.
ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ. ಬೇರೆ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ?
Specimen signature card has been summoned from the land magistrate, my lords.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅದು?
That is available at page number 89, my lords. Immediately, the presiding officer has been changed, my lords. Case came to be transferred to the new court. Immediately, my lords, without hearing.
Page 72 ಗೂ specimen signature correct ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, no, my lords. It is entirely different, my lords. Entirely different, my lords. Even you will actually may kindly see exhibit P1 and P6, my lords. Those documents,
Annexure K
my lords,
and Annexure D.
My lords,
ಎರಡು ಸಿಗ್ನೇಚರ್ ಸೇಮ್.
My lords, I have elicited the same from the mouth of the PW1, and also I have examined the DW1 before the trial court, my lords. It is clearly stated that, my lords, check has been misused by the accused, my lords, as that is went to how only the land magistrate has given reason how the check has gone into the hands of the complainant.
ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಈಗ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗಿದೆ ನಾಳೆ.
Serve on the counsel.
I will serve it to
petitioner to serve on the counsel who represents the respondent in the trial proceedings. List the matter on 27th in the fresh matters list.
My lords, the magistrate is not granting time. It is posted for final arguments, my lords.
So what? ಮಾಡಿ.
You will actually
ಏನು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಜಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬರ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರ?
allow. You will actually may kindly come to this
Yes, yes.
reasoning given by the trial court.
Tuesday fresh matters list. Yes. Next.
Order seal number 3, withdrawal, moved for withdrawal.
Has moved for withdrawal. Yes. Next.
Seal number 4, Shri Janardana Ji.
Appeal for petitioner in this case, Your Honor. Kindly pass over. Senior is held up in another court.
What's the matter?
138, Your Honor.
Wait, Ibre, okay. You do it. Yes. You've not seen the papers? You've not read? Then start. Yes. 138.
Yes, Your Honor.
What's the ground?
I am one of the independent direct, Your Honor, in this case.
What's the amount involved?
50 lakhs, Your Honor.
Heard the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. The learned counsel for the petitioner taking this court through the documents. All of your independent directors are?
No, Your Honor, only 2 of us. I mean, all four appellants, Your Honor.
The learned counsel for the petitioner taking this court through the documents appended to the petition would seek to demonstrate that the petitioners herein are all non-executive directors of the company who are not involved in the day-to-day affairs of the company. The checks are issued, are you the signatory to the check?
No, Your
The
Honor.
petitioners are also not signatories to the check, but are without rhyme and reason being drawn into the web of crime. It is settled principle of law unless there is a pleading or the petitioners involved in day-to-day affairs of the company. The directors cannot, the non-executive directors cannot be hauled into the web of crime. In that light, further proceedings shall remain state qua these petitioners only. Emergent, the petitioner to serve on the council who represents the respondent in the trial proceedings. Our is Rag. Yes.
5.
Next.
Gita UN.
5, my lords. Charge sheet is filed.
Charge sheet filed.
Charge sheet is filed on 8/12/25.
Charge sheet has been filed today. It's this one.
ಇವತ್ತು ಹಾಕಿದಾರ?
ಇಲ್ಲ 8/12/25.
We have received.
Long back. You may have received it. It's filed. Anyway, challenge it immediately. I'll take it on Monday. You challenge it. Charge sheet. Yes. Next.
Pastor matter. Number 30, list 1.
Case on Kapuka case, my lord, to quashing of the.
ಅದೇ ಎರಡು consent ಮೇಲೆ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ.
Yes.
The petitioners are before this court seeking the following prayer. The petitioners are the accused in the subject petitions and the complainant is the accused in the companion petitions. The petitioners are both, all the members, all the parties to the list are same members of the same family, are in a squabble with regard to the distribution of property, and the entire issue is pending before the civil court in
OS 125 of 9/2017.
OS 125 of
2017.
Of 2017,
And
which
OS
is
81 of 2023.
and 81 of 2023. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that they would agitate their rights by projecting all the submissions before the civil court, one that have been urged in the case at hand which touch upon the civil case. In that and would consent to quashment of the proceedings in these cases. To give a quietus to the criminal proceedings in particular, the proceedings against each other family members stands quashed. Both these petitions stands allowed. The crimes get obliterated, reserving liberty to these petitioners to urge every contention that touch upon the civil cases before the civil court at the appropriate stage, ordered accordingly.
Another crime is they lodged one more complaint, that is.
Let them challenge it, my lords. Absolutely, we don't
ಇದೇ
have any-
ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಒಂದು ಕೇಸ್.
Grateful.
Both matters. ಸುನಿಲ್ ಅದ್ರ
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ನಲ್ಲ,
ಹಾ,
no
ಮತ್ತೆ?
objections.
Yes.
Already other accused, your lordship has quashed in the earlier.
Well,
Yes, grateful.
Yes, all is well that ends well. Yes.
Pass out 25.
This case, my lord, they have taken a contention that they are the bona fide purchaser.
ಯಾರು?
The charge sheet is not filed as against.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಫರ್ದರ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
I will submit, because I am ready to pay entire amount. They are saying that, my lord, is a bona fide
ಇದು
purchaser.
ಅಸ್ಟ್ರಾಲಜರ್ ನೀವೇ ತಾನೆ?
I am
Astrologer ಅಲ್ಲ.
I am not purchaser, my lords. I
They
am
are
not
the
the beneficiary. I am only introducer.
Purchaser, I am ready to pay entire amount. I will recover the amount from the accused number 1 to 5.
ಈಗ ಅಸ್ಟ್ರಾಲಜರ್ ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗುಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ.
That's the petition is the third petition. I am ready to pay, my lord, the entire amount. Kindly see, my lord, forgery, even though the
ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? 2 ಕೋಟಿನಾ?
2 ಕೋಟಿ 80 ಲಕ್ಷ. 2
ವಾಪಸ್
ಕೋಟಿ
ಕೊಡಿ.
80 ಲಕ್ಷ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. 2 ಲಕ್ಷ ಅದಿಷ್ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಸೇಲ್ ಡೀಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಆಯ್ತು, ತಗೊಂಬಿಡಿ.
Which sale deed?
ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೇಲ್.
Yes.
Agreement of sale and the confirmation.
ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. 2 ಕೋಟಿ 80 ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Kindly take filed a memo.
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ, ನಿಮಗೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಬೇಡವೆ?
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ they are executing on confirmation deed. They are not the owners. I purchased some third party. Now he executed the confirmation sheet on behalf of me.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ.
Yes, I paid 80 lakhs. He is not a owner. I purchased some third party.
ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದಾರಲ್ಲ.
ಇವ್ರ ಓನರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡಕ್ಕೆ I paid properties purchase some third party ಕಡೆ
ನಿಮ್
purchase
ಜೊತೆ ಸೇಲ್ ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ನಿಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಸೇಲ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ.
ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆಲಿ ಏನು ಸೇಲ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಡೀಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಡೀಡ್ ದೇ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಮೈ ಸೇಲ್ ಡೀಡ್.
One moment, kindly see, my lord.
ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಗೆಲ್ಲೋವರೆಗೂ ಇದನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀನಿ.
No, my lord, sir. Kindly see, forgery, it's enter in sub-register office, they forge the document.
ಸರ್ ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ, ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೇಲ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಾ ನೀವು?
They removed that.
They removed.
That
What
paper
removed? ಇದೆಲ್ಲ why are you can't speak like a politician before becoming one.
No, my lord, one moment, kindly see the signature. This paper, my lord, they removed. First paper, they removed.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ರಿಮೂವ್, ಸಿಗ್ನೇಚರ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ನೇಚರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ,
ಸೀಲ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫೋರ್ಜರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ಸಿಗ್ನೇಚರ್ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ ಸಿಗ್ನೇಚರ್ ಇದೆ, ಇದು ನನ್ನ ಸಿಗ್ನೇಚರ್. ಈ ಸಿಗ್ನೇಚರ್ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿನೇ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
ಅದರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ?
ಅದ್ರ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರೇಷನ್ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಲೋನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಡೀಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಅಂತ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇ.
That is not their contention. Kindly see their complaint. If there is contention, I will withdraw my petition.
Why sub-registrar's office is not held responsible?
Investigation is concerned, my lord. The investigation officer colluded. Even though this honorable high court stayed the matter, before that, my lord, there B report filed as against accused number 8 to.
B report alla, charge sheet accused in the drop ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Sorry, drop the proceedings. They made us a witness because they are the main accused. Their property worth more than 60 crores. They have taken that my lord 3 crores and they have purchased that property. And they are the beneficiaries now.
Our complaint alla athara contention alla, kindly peruse the
That is the reason investigation, faulty investigation.
Kindly peruse the
investigation officer.
They are admitted.
6 months.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಅವ್ರದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತು. ಅಸ್ಟ್ರಾಲಜರ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿ? ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
He's the main accused, my lord.
ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಏನ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
He's
ಅಸ್ಟ್ರಾಲಜಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ನೀವು MLA ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ.
80 lakhs rupees he has received that amount. When the sale consideration they are received.
ಇವ್ರ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರಾ?
Yes, my lord. 80 lakhs rupees they have taken as a account. It's a account.
ಅಸ್ಟ್ರಾಲಜಿ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರ ಆಮೇಲೆ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, still today I am
ಈಗಲೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
I have returned all the amounts which
I
have received.
Main accused, he said, he communicated all this first instance, my lord. He said that, my lord, and he communicated all the accused number 1 to 2 to 7 is concerned. More than 20 cases is there. This type of cheating cases.
Not against me, my lord.
Not against me. He said communicated that.
ಅವರಲ್ಲ, ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ.
Accused number.
MLA ಏನಿಲ್ಲ.
All the accused.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ these type of cases ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರ ಮೇಲೆ?
ಇವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ accused number.
Other co-accused.
ನನ್ನ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 16 FIR.
Not against even my lord.
16 FIR.
ನೀವೇ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಪಿನ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ.
Only introduce
14 FIRs have produced. 14 FIRs modus operandi demonstrate.
ಯಾರ್ದು? ಅಸ್ಟ್ರಾಲಜರ್ದ?
ಅಸ್ಟ್ರಾಲಜರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನು ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು.
ಅದು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ 80 lakhs rupees ಅವರ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದೆ.
I have filed 14 FIRs in my statement of objections. Repeated modus operandi ಇದು. ಒಬ್ರು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಇಂಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ, ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Not against me, my lord. I have received the amount through account and I have given it back to the receiver. That's it, my lord. And as against me, my lord, they invoke the provisions of Atrocities Act, which is, my lord,
Kindly see, my lord,
10 years.
49 crores DD. They have taken 49 crores DD. They have showed that DD, including this accused number 1.
ಅದು DD ಫೋಟೋ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಏನ್ ದುಡ್ಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ.
No consideration.
Including this astrologer showing that DD, and they want to discount that DD. That's the reason 3 crores is shortage. That's why this false transaction. They are saying that much is a loan transaction.
DD ತೋರಿಸಿದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಮಯ ಅವರು ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದು.
And the astrologer is a main kingpin. He is saying that my lord is having a good future. And
astrologer has a good future always.
He only introduced the accused number 2 to 6.
ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ astrologer ಇರೋ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲ.
That entire land is concerned, my lord, I am ready to pay entire amount to the.
ನಿಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಏನೇನ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಬೇಡ, ನಿಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೇಲ್ ಡೀಡ್ ಯಾವ್ದಾಗಿದೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮೇಶನ್, ಯು ಆರ್ ನೋಬಡಿ ಟು ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಸಂಬಡಿ ಎಲ್ಸಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್.
That's why.
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ, ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. ನಿಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೇಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೇಲ್ ಡೀಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರೇಷನ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲ amount I will direct them to refund.
ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ
Information detail 80 lakhs ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Property worth more than 60 crores. Joint development agreement ಇವಾಗ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. 60 crores ಇದೆ.
ಈಗ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಈಗ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಪ್ರಪೋಸಲ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. 80 lakhs ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 60 crores property. They are saying that they are bona fide purchaser.
December 24
All looks like a maze. We'll see. And
December 24 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಈಗ ಈ ಕೇಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಈಗ ರಿಟ್ ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು?
I am not astrologer.
ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಅಲೋ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಹೇಳಿ?
I am very optimistic, my lord. So my petition will be allowed.
This matter has to be transferred to CCB, my lord.
This appears to be, we'll see. We'll answer.
Let's as against me, my lord, astrologer.
Because
Even
ನೀವು ಅಸ್ಟ್ರಾಲಜಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
No 420 because I am the victim. I am also victim in this entire rocket.
You're saying astrologer is not 420. No offense 420.
He cannot be, my lord. He cannot be prosecuted for.
He only introduced the other accused. That is the reason it's a main accused.
There must be a sterling quality evidence. They have to produce.
Sterling quality for an astrology na ಇದೆ sterling quality.
They are making allegation against me for 420. I have not taken single rupees. Even I have given complaints to other against the other persons. The affairs has been produced.
We'll dictate on Monday, Tuesday.
Submission, my lord. IO, my lord. Even though this honorable high court granted stay.
IO has issued 4. I have made my submission.
No, that also 4 times notice are issued. ನೀವೇನ್ ಕೋಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ?
No, my lord. Even
4 notices has been issued.
Even though the stay order is there, it's why this hurriedly investigated and drop the proceedings, my lord. Drop the other accused, my lord. This the kindly see the charge sheet.
Purchasers are the beneficiaries.
Kindly see the charge sheet, my lord.
We'll dictate on Tuesday. Yes. Dictating ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ at 4 PM ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿ. ಸಾರಿ ಏನದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಹಾಕಿ. Second at 4:30 PM ಅಂತ. We'll dictate on that day. ಒಂದು ಎಲ್ಲದು ಸಿನಾಪ್ಸಿಸ್ ಹಾಕಿ.
I'll give.
List of authorities ಸಿನಾಪ್ಸಿಸ್ ಹಾಕಿ.
Yes.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ 28 ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ.
Interim order.
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ ಅಂತ ಅಸ್ಟ್ರಾಲಜಿ ಕೇಳಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಗುಡ್
ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್.
Good terms.
28 ಗೆ ಅಶ್ಯೂರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Because I have also given some file complaint against him because of that.
Right.
Some negotiation is also going on for withdrawal.
All right. ಅಷ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಏನ್ ಸರ್? ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಗ್ರೀವಿಯನ್ಸ್.
ಸೆಟಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ನಮ್ಮ astrologer ಹೇಳಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ see that's I was about to tell that. ಅವ್ರು ಯಾರು ಮೇಡಮ್ ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ? ಮಗು ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಿ, ಕರೀರಿ.
Serial number 7.
498 ಏನಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ 419. Complainant present.
ಏನ್ ಯುವರ್ ರಿಯೂನಿಯನ್?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು 419 ಚೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಕೇಸು.
419
ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದು, ಅವರು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು.
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇನೆಂಟ್ ಯಾರು? ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಯಾರು?
ಅವ್ರ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ರು.
ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೈಫ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇನೆಂಟ್ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇವರು ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟರ್, ಕಂಪ್ಲೇನೆಂಟ್. ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೈಫ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಓನರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ.
ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್?
ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ.
ಸರಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ಇವರೇ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್.
ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್. ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2.
ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಸರ್. ಲರ್ನೆಡ್ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಸೋನ್ಸ್ ವಕಾಲತ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಸರಿ, ಎಸ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್. ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೊರಡಿರಿ ಸರ್.
Let's continue 31.
For the petition, my lordship.
Yes, Praveen.
Offences of forgery and cheating, my lordship. Matter was partly heard on the previous occasion, my lordship.
That is 2025. 24.
No, my lordship. 2025.
Previous occasion.
Previous occasion.
Serial number?
This is 31, my lordship. There are 2 FIRs.
No, I have granted an interim order in 23/10/2025.
How does it?
I will take it little later. List the matter on 19th February.
Oblige,
Order subsisting will continue to the next date of hearing. Yes, next.
32,
323, madam, 341.
341, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
341,
Respondent served
149.
unrepresented, ಯಾವಾಗ serve ಆಗಿದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್?
ಅಲ್ಲ, served unrepresented.
ಅದೇ ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ
Sir.
ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್, ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ.
Assault with hands. ಅವರು ಬ್ರದರ್ ಅವರು ಈ ಬ್ರದರ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಕಂಪ್ಲೇನೆಂಟ್.
ಬ್ರದರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ,
ಹೌದು, ನಮ್ಮ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅವರು ಏರಿದ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1, ಅವ್ರ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಬ್ರದರ್, ಅಣ್ಣ ತಮ್ಮಿಂದ್ರ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಜಗಳ, ಅವ್ರಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೊಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಸೇಮ್ ಡೇ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ ಐ ಲಾಡ್ಜ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್, ಅವರು 11 ದಿವಸಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದು 11 ದಿವಸ ಹಾಕಿರೋದು, ನಾನು ಹಾಕಿದ್ ಬರೀ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ. 149 ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
312 ಆಗಿದೆ. ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಅದೇ ಸರ್ವ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಬಿಟ್ರು.
ಯಾವ ನಾನು
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಆ ಡೇಟಿಗೆ ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಮೆಮೋ ಮಾಡಿದೆ.
The petitioner is before the court calling in question registration of a crime in crime number, charge sheet,
charge sheet.
Proceedings in CC so and so registered for offence punishable under section 323, 341, 504 and 506 of the IPC.
And 149 also is there.
A perusal at the summary of the charge sheet would not indicate the ingredients of section 339 being met for it to become an offence under section 341 of the IPC. Therefore, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings by the petitioner till the next date of hearing. This the matter on 19th February. Notice ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? Oh, served ಅಲ್ಲ? 19th February. ಬರ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ. Yes, next.
Not in this case.
Pokso.
Pokso 376, 506. He was granted bail. Lord, so after 11 hearing dates, Lord, the bail was cancelled.
Why?
Bail was cancelled because a complaint was lodged by the girl stating that he has threatened. And she was examined 11 days prior to that. She was cross-examined. No allegation against him. And the date of alleged threat, she was not summoned by the court. Her parents were summoned. A false complaint came to be filed, the bail was cancelled, my lord. Your lordship may kindly peruse page number 6. Lord, accused was present before the trial court several dates. Lord, after lapse of 9 months, cancellation of bail petition was filed. And the trial court, without assigning any reason on the sole ground that he has threatened.
You are taken back to custody now?
I am in jail for the last 4 months, my lord. And I moved.
4 ತಿಂಗಳಾಯ್ತಾ?
Outside.
What were you doing without moving the matter?
I moved a petition before the coordinate bench of this honorable court, and at 483, my lord, when the matter was listed, it was not served, subsequently served. My lord, the unrepresented. Then, my lord, the coordinate bench held that I should move application under 538 or 28, despite.
Correct, it is 528. Why did you go under 529?
439.
439 move ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, 483. Earlier
483 is what now?
Now 528 I have filed.
483 is what now in BNSS?
439, my lord, I have moved.
39 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
439.
Yes.
My lord, the coordinate bench held that I should move 482.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಹೇಳಿ.
That's how I am before your lordship.
No problem.
My lord, no grounds for cancellation of bail. I have been in jail for the last 4 months.
Is crime registered on that threatening?
Threatening, yes, my lord. That was registered in crime number 53/2024.
What happened to that?
79 and 351 of BNS.
What happened to that crime?
That's still pending.
But a crime is registered. You could not have threatened the witness.
Lord, I have not threatened, my lord.
Well, why ಸುಮ್ನೆ crime is registered? Investigate ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಾ police ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ?
In a charge sheet ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ, sir.
ಮತ್ತೆ? Why should you threaten
Because
the witness?
everything happens in the Mafuzil area. When they go and give a complaint, they register. Sometimes they don't register also. The case was registered because to cancel my bail. And it was a love affair at the time of registration of the case. Lordship may kindly appreciate, she was already completed 18 years. It was only a love affair according to the complaint. That is the reason why the learned session judge granted bail. And they wanted some terms of settlement which he has declined, therefore this complaint came to be filed.
You are 21 years old.
Please, my lord.
The petitioner is before this court. Sarvagide madam, respond to you. Notice ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
Notice ಆಗಿದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಸರ್ವ್ ಆಯಿತು unrepresented before the coordinate bench of this.
ನೋಡಿ madam.
ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
16/11/25.
They heard the learned counsel S. Balan appearing for, ನೀವೇ ತಾನೇ Balakrishnan.
Balakrishnan, I am called as Balan.
Oh. They heard the learned counsel Balakrishnan appearing for the petitioner. The petitioner stood as an accused in crime number 10 of 2024 for offences punishable under section so and so and in POCSO Act 4 and 6. The petitioner was a petitioner and the victim were in love and have had physical relationship on the said score. The parents of the victim registers a complaint on the score that they were in love and the victim was a minor at that stage. The concerned court, recording the fact that both of them were in love and the offense of POCSO would not cannot be alleged as there was no forcible sexual intercourse with the complainant, grants bail. After the petitioner was set at liberty, another crime comes to be registered on the score that the petitioner has threatened the witness. And the petitioner is taken back to custody and is said to be in custody for the last 4 months. The order of cancellation of bail is what is challenged in the case at hand. Ellide adu?
Okay.
Page
in the original petition.
Page 9.
9.
Page 35. Sir.
Cancellation of bail.
No. Cancellation of bail is correct, page number 9, Mela.
Starts from 9 and.
The cancellation of the order cancelling the bail is on the ground that the victim has been threatened by the petitioner. Correct ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿ, ಯಾವುದು cancellation of bail order? ಅದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
ಅದೇ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, page number 9.
The order is prima facie on the score that the petitioner has attempted, the victim has attempted to commit suicide because of her threatening. That's the recording here.
That's how.
And then
all that there are no material, my lord. It's only a complaint.
Which is that crime? So and so. The learned counsel submits that on the said alleged threatening, a crime comes to be registered in crime number 72 of 2025. The 72 of 2025. The learned HCGP shall secure the investigation papers in the said crime and place it before the court on Friday. Will
crime number 53/2024.
53 of 2024. Ad note ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ತರದೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ I will set him at liberty. Yes. Day after tomorrow, Friday. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ is a 21-year-old boy, ಒಳಗಿದ್ದು he will become more dangerous. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಲಿಬರ್ಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ವಾಪಸ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. Unless there is material. Otherwise he is better off outside than inside.
Even the learned judge makes an observation. There was a threatening, therefore.
No, there was a threatening and there should not be in air. He's a 21-year-old boy. When he was in love, he's on 20 years. You should know it. It is dangerous to keep them in prison. Yes.
34.
System should not make them criminals. Yes.
This, my lord, I understand.
Madam.
Stay is
for a
already
period of
granted
4 weeks ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
4 weeks ಅಂತ ಕೊಡಿ, I undertake to file ವಕಾಲತ್.
Learned counsel so and so undertakes to enter appearance for the respondent complaint registry to
also filed a writ petition yesterday. It's still in a fast stage.
ಯಾಕೆ?
There's a
counter case.
Counter case.
ಏನು ಈ allegation?
There's a serious stifling of more than 16 crore funds
16 crores.
more than 16 crores.
ಮತ್ stay ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂತಿಲ್ಲಿ?
Your lordship, that already be report.
But I was staying in
filed by the
United
police.
Kingdom.
This is a third complaint by the, before the police.
ಏನೇನು?
I was staying in United Kingdom. And he has taken money from me which is all through account. Whereas he has not purchased the property and using my GPM, my lord, he has sold the property, which I'll demonstrate, my lord. I'll demonstrate.
Yes. These are present day happenings.
Correct, please me.
Rampant everywhere.
Stay may
Yes.
be extended.
Huh?
Stay may be extended.
Stay will be extended.
Please.
The learned counsel so and so undertakes to enter appearance for the second respondent complaint registry to print the name of so and so. List the matter on ಯಾವ ವರ್ಷದ 25 We'll take it on
First week or
12th.
so great.
List on 12th February. Interim order granted earlier stands extended till the next date of hearing. Yes.
35. Speak.
35 and 36, my lords. Jagdish is appearing, kindly pass over, my lords.
35.
Respondent.
ನೀವ್ಯಾರಿಗೆ?
It's a petition by the state, my lord, challenging the order passed by the learned sessions judge, my lord, special judge.
Kokada.
Kokar. Lord, what had happened is, my lord, initially, my lord, Koka was not invoked in the charge sheet. Subsequently, my lord, after filing up the preliminary charge sheet, they seek permission of the IGP and, my lord, they say they have invoked. At that point of time, my lord, the entire file was transferred to Mysore Special Court.
Jagdish Bhatt.
And the court, my lord, sent it back.
Jagdish Bhatt.
Yes.
Both.
Now, my lord, now in the latest charge sheet, they have invoked Koka also. Therefore, it has to go back.
I will see. Let him come. Pass over. Swami.
Other, maybe call tomorrow or
Tomorrow ಮತ್ತೆ
he's on his
interview
legs, my lord, it may take some time.
No problem. I am here.
Please.
Yes.
36.
ವಿಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀರಲ್ಲ?
Kindly have done next week.
No, sir. Grounds of arrest. 4 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋ 302 I will not grant.
Kindly have done next week. I
No,
will take
not
instruction.
next week. Yes. Grounds of arrest bail 4 ಸರಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 2022 ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2026 ಅಲ್ಲಿ we will grant an interim order and set you at liberty in a 302 case.
I will take instruction. Kindly have done next.
ಅದು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಅದನ್ನ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಇವತ್ತು
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಲ್ ಹಾಕ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಬೇಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ.
ಹಾಕಿ ಅದು ನಿಮಗ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು. ಬೇಲ್ ಆಗ್ಲೇ ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. 302 ಯಾರು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಬೇಲ್?
Kindly have done Tuesday.
ಸೋಲ್ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇಕು? ರಿಮಾಂಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಇವಾಗ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಬರ್ಟಿ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು.
Kindly have done Tuesday. Take instruction.
Yes. List the matter after 4 weeks. Pendency of this petition will not come in the way of any further proceedings before the concerned court. Yes.
37.
ECIR summons.
Copy has been served. On
one
day before
ಅದು
yesterday itself,
enforcement direct ನೀವಾ?
my lord, the predicate offense, my lord, has been stayed. My lord, your lordship, my lord, in Rudragoda's case, my lord, following by biology's case.
ಹೌದಾ?
As my lord said, my lord, that once the predicate offense is stayed, my lord, the ECR cannot.
ECR cannot be done.
ಅಲ್ಲ ECR ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಅದು ಸ್ಟೇ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಅದ್ ಹಂಗ್ ಬರ್ದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೀವ ಕೊಡಿ.
There's one submission. They questioned ECIR and summons.
ಈಗ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಬೆಂಚಸ್ held, summons cannot be challenged.
My lord, I am not challenging the summons, my
ಅದೇ
lord.
ಬನ್ನಿ ಪ್ರೇಯರ್ ಬನ್ನಿ.
That is what the prayer, that's all.
ಪ್ರೇಯರ್ ಇರೋದೇ
And my lord,
summons
they
challenge.
filed-
ಎಲ್ಲಿ
They filed
ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ರಾವ್ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಜಡ್ಮೆಂಟ್? ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಬೆಂಚ್ summons cannot be challenged.
Yes, my lord.
My submission is, I mean, maintainability, 528 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, it is a civil cause of action. 528 is not maintainable.
GM
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವರು ಬರೀ 528 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ, and this is a civil, lots are aware, only civil cause of action. Summons and ECIR.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಬರೆದಿದೆ ಡಿವಿಷನ್.
I will not, my lord, press as far as the summons is concerned.
ಪ್ರೇಯರ್ ಒಂದೇ ಇರೋದು.
Prayer, my lord, cost ECR ಅಂತ ಇದೆ.
ವಾಶ್ ECIR.
ಅಲ್ಲ, I will, my lord, limit my prayer, my lord, I will amend the prayer. My lord, now, my lord, your lordships kindly see the judgment, my lord, where your lordships have held.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಸರ್.
My lord, the prayer, my lord, I will amend it.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಬೆಂಚ್. Now division bench says summons cannot be challenged.
My lord, summons, my lord, I will not challenge the summons as such. Now, my lord, so judgment.
They've sought that also.
ನಾನು ಪ್ರೇಯರ್ ನೋಡ್ದಂಗೆ ಕ್ವಾಶ್ summons.
No, I will file an application, my lord, for amending it. I will, my lord.
ECIR.
Yes.
ECIR ಏನ್
That's
challenge?
my submission.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸಮನ್ಸ್ I will my lord
ಅದು ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
delete ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
My submission is, this is a matter which involves more than 20 crores of fraud.
My lord, see, your lordship,
It's a-
see the complaint. Complaint is given by my driver who has, my lord, been removed from service.
Predicate
He, my lord, says his friend had given 1 lakh to me as an investment. That has been stayed already, my lord, in respect of all the accused.
1 lakh ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ.
ಅಲ್ಲ 8 ಜನನ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ accused ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
Predicate offense.
Predicate offense ಅಲ್ಲಿ. In respect of all the predicate offense, my lord, everyone, my lord, there is a stay order passed by this court. My lord, I have produced that order also, my lord, at annexure H.
My lord, this is a matter involving more than 200 Bitcoin, 2000 Bitcoins, rather to say.
Bitcoin problem.
The Bitcoin, because
Sir,
every-
ಅದೆಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ.
they-
My-
if
my
I may
friend is
submit-
saying that-
if I may submit-
Cryptocurrency.
If I may submit, I have, my objections have just.
ಕೊಡಿ ಅವರು ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಅವರು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೇಯರ್ ಔಟ್. The learned counsel Bipin Hegde appearing for the petitioner submits that he would not press the prayer 1, which is seeking quashment of the summons. What remains is prayer 2, which he seeks quashment of the entire enforcement case information report hyphen the ECIR. Objections ಕೊಡಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ನೀವು ನೋಡಲ್ವೇ?
My lord, as far as going on the merits is concerned, my lord, I am not on the merits of the case of the.
ಮತ್ತೆ?
My lord, now only on the point, my lord, of whether.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇ ಆಗಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
Yes.
My lord, there is a Supreme Court judgment.
Supreme Court biology case itself, my lord, in paragraph 62, it clearly says, my lord.
Why?
Why Balaji? Paragraph 63, my lord. May I read, my lord? Therefore, we are concluded that in.
ಓದಿ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
Therefore, as we have concluded that in view of the quashing of the proceeding in CC number so and so and staying of proceeding in so and so as highlighted above, the schedule offense of the present is eclipsed, suspended or stop operating during the period of stay. The respondent department has to wait the finality of the said proceedings. Needless to mention, if the proceedings in CC number so and so are quashed pursuant to the orders in the application filed by the respective persons to quash the proceedings, in which event the respondent cannot step in or initiate any proceedings under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act as held by the Honorable Supreme Court in Vijay Matan Lal Chaudhary case. Therefore, the respondent here is refrained from proceedings any further pursuant to the impugned proceedings in ECR number so and so till disposal of criminal revision case number so and so, criminal original number so and so. My lord, then paragraph 67. In other words, the High Court has not caused the summons issued by the EED.
Bipin sir, let him come up with his reply.
And my lords, one
We'll hear
submission.
it on Tuesday.
One submission in serial number 37 and 39, similar matters. 37, she has already got bail and she is now supposed to come before the investigation. 39, again, he is absconding and is not coming for investigation. This is a matter involving more than 100,000 Bitcoins. And they're inviting everyone to invest only in Bitcoin through cryptocurrency because there is no trail which is left and they got
I am
properties
not
in
on the
Dubai.
merits of the case.
No,
My lord, I am only on the ground.
Such a case.
My learned friend is well aware about the orders passed by this court. Where the Supreme Court says, my lord, there is
Why
no.
are you fighting shy on merits? You should come on merits.
No, my lord. First, my lord, let me, my lord,
In
convince
such
your
a case,
lordship, my lord.
482 is not maintainable in such a case.
Very
My lord,
Yes.
my lord, relying on this judgment, my lord, passed by your lordship.
Umar Reddy ತಾನೆ?
Umar Reddy, Rudragoda, both, my lord. Umar
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ
Reddy has-
Why Balaji also is there.
Why Balaji, your lordship, my lord, has referred to Why Balaji's case and then passed the order.
My lords, the stay itself will not efface the offense itself is what Supreme Court has told.
Absolutely, no doubt.
Therefore, my lords, my only submission, my lord says, we are only investigating with regard to the aspects of how the money laundering has happened. And my lords, they got properties in Dubai and they're not even given before the law enforcement agencies in India. They are not even disclosed it in the income tax. That is what we have got to know. And all the investments have been sought through the cryptocurrency transactions through Telegram and all. Many people have been duped the same way, my lords. So those things they have to answer. So, my lords, my only submission is let the investigation go on, my lords.
ಆಯ್ತು, ನೀವು reply to his submission. I'll take it on Tuesday.
Please.
My lord, till that time, my lord, let them not precipitate, my lord. Now, my lord, I have gone. They have issued summons to my mother, father, directing them to appear. When, my lord, entire proceedings against all the accused have been stayed.
Unless ECIR is state, they are entitled to do that.
Therefore, my lord, I am requesting, my lord, till, my lord, that time, my lord, let them not precipitate, my lord, let this matter.
We'll take it on, I'll take it on Tuesday. Yes.
My lord, till that time, my lord, because now summons have been, my lord, issued to my mother also.
Cryptocurrencies.
My lord, that is not the allegation, my lord, in the complaint. Now, my lord, ECR copy also they will not give. We are not even aware what is the allegation they put in that.
Objection ಹಾಕಿಲ್ವಾ? ECR ಕಾಪಿ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ECR ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ ಏನಂತಾನೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ.
My lords, that is
confidential document.
I will submit it before the court.
Sorry. Yes.
All and every documents I'll be providing before the court.
Lord, may I request, my lord, till that time, my lord, Tuesday, my lord, I am ready, my lord, tomorrow also, my lord, if your lordships are.
ಏನ್ ರಿಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಡೇ ಇದೆ
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ತಾವು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್
ನೋಡ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ದೇರ್ ಸಮ್ ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ
ಇವತ್ತು ಫಾರ್ಚುನೇಟ್ಲಿ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಎಸ್ ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Please.
ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ.
till that time let them not precipitate.
ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ. ಎಸ್ ಕೊಡೋದ್ರೆ ನಾನೇ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಅವೇ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಬಿಟ್ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಸ್
ಬಿಟ್ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ.
These efforts would destabilize the economy. That is the only reason I'm a little.
Lord, that is not, if your lords may see, my lord, complaint is in respect of 1 lakh by a driver who has been dismissed from service. And he says it is not even his money.
Problem drivers ಇಂದನೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಜಗದೀಶ್ ಸರ್ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಡ್ರೈವರ್ who has been dismissed from service ಅಂದ್ರು. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನೋಸರಿ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ಸ್ ಇಂದನೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ. Yes. Learned Counsel Madhu N. Rao accepts notice for the Enforcement Directorate Registry to print the name of Madhu N. Rao as appearing for the respondent.
37 and 39, lordship.
Both 37, 39, yes. And the counsel has filed a statement of objections. The same is taken on record.
38.
Fresh matter.
Vikram Simhayar. Oh, Nimda, yes, yes.
Fresh matters.
Fresh matters, definitely. Tuesday ಇರೋದೆಲ್ಲ fresh matter. ಏನಿದು?
Again, my lords, an interesting matter.
ECIR, interesting ECIR. Why is Avinash here?
Lord, I am also along with Sunil, my lord.
Oh, very good. Yes, that's a good thing. ಧಾರವಾಡದಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. Integrate, yes.
Well, it's interesting matter under the PMLA. Well, I would just point out the complaint, my lords. There's a reference given to about 5 FIRs, just as a reference. My lords, see the complaint. The reference to the 5 FIRs is at page 97.
Page
97, my lords. The complaint that has been filed on investigation. 97. My lords gets a table, my lords.
Okay, one moment, sir.
Supplementary complaint.
The complaint starts at 92.
Yes,
The
table
table
is
that we get is at 97.
Table is 5. There are 5 FIRs.
There are 5 FIRs there, my lords. Post that, if my lords should kindly notice, paragraph 2, my lords. Paragraph 2, my lords should notice FIR in crime number 251 of 2022. Paragraph 2. And then 3.1 is the starting point of FIR 251 of 2022. Thereafter, my lords, the entire complaint runs on what we get at 3.1 Roman number 1 and 3.2 at page 99. That's crime number 72 of 23. These are the only 2 crime numbers, my lords, which is taken as a predicate offense for the investigation of the PMLA, and the PMLA ends up with a complaint being filed.
Now, the predicate offense according to you is only crime number 251 of 2022.
And 72 of 2023, which my lords gets at page 99.
What happened to the other crimes?
Nothing, my lords. There's no reference.
So the ECIR relates its predicate to these 2 crimes.
These two crime numbers.
251 and
Yes, my
72.
lords. If the entire, after that, my lords, if we see, the whole extraction that we get is mainly based on the first FIR, which my lords sees. After that, everything. Now, my lords, so far as that FIR is concerned, it has been stayed. My lords should get the order of stay.
51 is stayed or 72 is stayed? Both are stayed?
Both are stayed. both are stayed. If my lords should notice page 232, my lords, 3rd December 2025 is the order of stay. Page 232.
Vacation bench, Allah.
No, my lord,
Dharwad
Dharwad bench.
Yes.
Now post the stay, my lords, and the second stay, second stay, Unit 72 is also stayed, my lords. Now, if these two predicate offences are stayed, my lords, in my respectful submission, the complaint will have to wait the outcome of those.
Why Balaji?
And my lords.
Umar Reddy.
And Mantri developers. In all these matters, eclipses but does not. So, my lords, if the reading of the complaint, though a reference has been given to 5 FIRs.
Your umbilical cord.
I will make a start.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's judgment. Yes.
So, in my respectful submission, my lords, 4 decisions of our court, plus, my lords, as pointed out even by Mr. Bipin, the Y. Balaji's case, my lords, which my lords has referred to in Umar Reddy's case. Now, if there is going to be a stay of the predicate offence, then the proceeding under the PMLA will have to await the outcome of that. If the stay gets vacated, this automatically revives. That's how my lords has held it. Now, my lords, in my respectful submission, till the outcome of that, the present complaint will have to be kept on hold, my lords.
ನನಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಸಿಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹೇಳಿ. That's the only point.
ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಲೀಗಲ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ.
Yes, there are 5 FIR there. Insofar as petition is concerned, the petition compilation, 1 FIR has been stayed. That is on 3rd December.
That is 251 of 20. ಎರಡು ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಾರೆ?
ನಾನು ಈಗ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು, ಈಗ ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅದನ್ನ.
ಸರಿ.
And ಒಂದ್ ವೇಳೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಸ್ಟೇ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರು, the remaining 3 is surviving.
But what have you based your
that is what I am trying to explain. For that reason, time ನೋಡಿ. First FIR is 20th December 2022.
That is in crime number?
With respect of that, he is accused number
251 of 2022.
The second FIR is on 3/6/2022.
One ನಿಮಿಷ. 3/6/2022. That is 106 of 22.
106. It is surviving. There is no stay or nothing.
72.
Then 72. The instruction is that I have to stay.
Court order ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ instruction. Yes.
11/8/2023 FIR.
ಈಗ 150. 150 is stayed?
No, my lord, it is not stayed.
So this only 72 and 251 are stayed.
Stayed. Then ECIR registered on 30th November 2023.
164.
160.
ಅದು stay ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅದು ECIR has not been stayed. Then 164. Then 16/12/2024 complaint was filed.
The complaint is already filed, is it?
Yes, already filed. Then special court passed the order of taking cognizance
also.
Then he has been arrested also.
After cognizance, why?
No, before the cognizance itself, he has been arrested.
You're not on bail?
That is the issue. He is not on bail. Yes, he is not on bail. He was in judicial custody. With respect of predicate offense, he was released. On the basis of that, he has come out, and then he has filed an anticipatory bail application that came to be dismissed. Thereafter, he has filed this 482 petition.
ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಧಾರವಾಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರಾ ಬೇಲ್?
ಧಾರವಾಡ ಮೆಲೋಡ್ಸ್, ಧಾರವಾಡ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಬೇಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿರೋದಲ್ಲ.
ಬೇಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಆಂಟಿಸಿಪೇಟರಿ ಬಿಲ್ ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
ಹೌದು.
Then my lord, 6/2/2025 an order is passed by this honorable court. Further investigation ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. I was permitted to look into the Aadhaar card details, and Aadhaar authority was directed to permit me to look into.
1 minute. What's the offense?
The offense is that creating fake documents and receiving double compensation from the KIDB.
Who KIDB has complained to you?
Yes. KIDB has complained.
Not to them.
The schedule offense is the complainant.
ನಿಮಗಲ್ಲ.
Yes.
Predicate
complainant is the KIDB.
Oh, KIDB has complained.
Yes.
Compensation is received twice over.
Twice created fake documents, created fake IDBI bank accounts. Amount as at present 64 crore rupees.
ಎಷ್ಟು?
64 crores.
Compensation,
doubling, then fictitious account, and the creation of the documents with respect of a non-existing properties. Roads of the government has been, with respect of that also they have received the compensation.
Government roads
also. Then my lord, the supplementary charge sheet filed on 11/9/2025, that is not placed on
Predicate
record.
stay agidiyalla.
Only 2 cases, the remaining survives.
In all the cases, it is the
Yes,
KIDB.
yes, KIDB, otherwise some of the cases, those persons who have never given an application, their property has been, with respect of that particular property also, they have received the compensation.
Well, it's factually maybe incorrect.
No, no, I
Well,
have to.
FIR
Let
3.
me complete.
I'll get back to you, sir.
Yes. Then my lord, when he, on 7/11/2025, after filing of the charge sheet, when he was in judicial custody of the special court, he files an anticipatory bail petition. He was in judicial custody.
But anticipatory
he
bail.
files an anticipatory bail petition. Then that application came to be dismissed. That is on the 6/12/2025. And thereafter NBW has been issued on 30th December 2025. After issuance of the NBW petition, NBW as against him, this particular petition has been filed. Now the question is, if there are multiple FIRs are there, with respect of multiple FIR, if the ECIR is registered, 1 or 2 cases are stayed, whether the entire ECIR has to be stayed or whether it has to come to a halt.
No, the principle is,
Yes,
if the ECIR is foundationed upon a particular crime,
yes, ma'am.
and if that particular crime is stayed, then
Yes, ma'am.
perhaps ECIR cannot continue. But if the ECIR is an amalgam of all the crimes registered and only 2 are stayed, then perhaps your submission may be.
My submission is that all these cases are the foundation. And with respect of the very,
Have you narrated so in the ECIR?
my lord, that is how it has been explained and that is how.
ಆಯ್ತು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನರೇಟ್
Yes,
ಮಾಡಿದಿರ
I will I will
all
take-
5 FIR.
Yes, sir. It has been explained and then accordingly the investigation has been carried forward. Then addendum has been by way of addendum, next complaint has been included.
Which that 164 last.
Yes, next one. Because it is relating to the same similar type of pattern. I am placing judgment, 2 judgments, my lord. That is, one is IREO Private Limited, similar type of circumstances. There were 32 cases, 31 cases were closed. Only 1 case was surviving. Whether the ECIR has to be halted was the question. The Punjab Division Bench of Punjab Haryana High Court has held that no, the proceeding has to continue because 1 ECIR, 1 FIR is surviving, then schedule offense is surviving, and PCR has to, sorry, the ECIR has to continue. Then, my lord, of course, umbilical cord I am relying upon, that is Vijay Surana. In that particular judgment, my lord, each cases has to be independently, it has to be analyzed.
ಹೌದು umbilical cord
Yes, yes. So my submission is that, my lord, there are 2-3 cases are pending, and these cases have reached the Supreme Court, and Supreme Court has dismissed both the cases, SLP, special petition.
even the cord.
Yes,
ಹೌದು ಪಂಜಾಬ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹರಿಯಾಣ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್.
yes, my lord, it has been tested, it has been dismissed, my lord. Then, my lord, my submission is that now why they have come here is they have not got the anticipatory bail. The anticipatory bail, the reason is that
anticipatory bail ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಏನು ಸಂಬಂಧ?
he was in custody in the, with respect of the schedule of.
Why did you apply for anticipatory bail?
I'll explain.
Yes.
My lord, he was in the judicial custody, my lord, with respect of the predicate offense. During that particular period, he was arrested, my lord. Body warrant was issued and formally he was arrested. He, without noticing that particular fact, he was released, my lord. And thereafter, he filed an anticipatory bail petition. Now he is supposed to appear and he did not appear, stating that already schedule offense has been stayed and therefore there is no need for me to appear before the court. And on that pretext, my lord, he sought for the deferment of the proceedings. The special court said that the deferring of the proceeding does not arise and the NBW has been issued. That is on 30th December 2025. And thereafter, on 9th, this particular petition has been filed.
Yes, sir.
Could I answer that, my lord?
Yes.
As my lords was pleased to notice, if the complaint is based predominantly on 1 FIR out of the 5, then, my lords, if there's a stay of that, then probably the ECIR also has to await. My lords may kindly notice 3.2 in their complaint. That is where they commence on explaining how the investigation took place, and the investigation, according to them, has taken place only on 1 crime number. My lords may notice 3.2. It's at page 100. My lords, page 100, the 5 FIRs are shown, after which allegations, charges, amount involved in PMLA. The offense under 420 involved in FIR number 255 of 2022 dated 2012 registered is a schedule offence under 21Y of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act. After 3.2, my lords, the entire investigation of theirs is based on this FIR 251. Whole from 3.2 onwards, if you notice, my lords, we will not get a reference of any other FIR. Can I trouble my lords with that? Page 100.
That is the complaint.
Yes, my lords, their complaint. Now, after investigation, how are they basing their complaint? They've given reference of 5 FIRs. Then they say how they went about their investigation. 3.
This I saw. Their
3.2
investigation is
allegations.
272 and 251.
Yes, but it's from 3.2. If we see, there's reference to FIR number 251 and how this entire investigation that they have done based on 251 throughout, my lords. We will not get reference to any other FIR. Please notice after that, whatever that we find. And that complaint, my lords, because in the other 3 FIRs, I'm not an accused. I was an accused only in 2. Only in 2. I was an accused only in 2. But their investigation runs only on the lines of that single crime number. Throughout, their summons, everything, they say predicate offense is 251. Now, if that is so, my lords, in the complaint, and if 251 is now stayed, that probably will answer whether it is based on all the 5 FIRs or 1 FIR. That's one aspect.
And already stayed alive.
Yes, my lords. Now, second aspect of it is, my lords wanted to know why is it we sought for an anticipatory bail. In the predicate offense, my lords, I was arrested. After I was arrested in the predicate offense, ED would require a body warrant. So, my lords, on body warrant.
So the moment you come out,
Yes,
body
my lords,
warrant will
because
be
of-
executed.
Yes, my lords. But
So anticipatory bail.
then we filed anticipatory, which is rejected.
No problem. Yes.
So, my lords, primary contention is if this complaint is
So if
based.
body warrant is existing, anticipatory bail, correct?
How? That's why we filed anticipatory bail, my lords. Anyway, that is rejected. My lords, probably rightly or wrongly, whether them releasing me, I don't know, my lords, whether they were right in releasing me in understanding how the body warrant to be done.
On this issue,
Yes,
whether
so just to say, they were saying that because I didn't get an anticipatory bail, I filed this 482, which may not be so, my lords. Because I think fundamentally, my submission is, if it is based on this crime number, and if this crime number is stayed, you will have to await it till there's a decision on that matter. That is what I would like to say, my lords, and Reliance is on the same judgments that I have put.
ಈಗ ಧಾರವಾಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅದು?
ಹೌದು.
Yes, I will explain, my lord. I will answer. I request my lords to kindly take the complaint, my lord. Complaint is at page number 92. Then, my lord, the ECIR, each of the FIR, my lord. Page number
Each of the
90.
FIR.
Yes, my lord. I kindly take the first FIR, that is FIR 0251 of 2022. That has been given by the KIDB, my lord. With respect of that, amount involved is around 19.
What's the amount involved?
19.99 crores, my lord.
So ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲ FIR ಸೇರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ
Yes, ma'am.
100 crores,
They say
64 crores.
They're saying 64.
64 crores. This is with respect of the FIR. This is the amount what they have mentioned. The magnitude is very high, my lord. And we have attached the properties. We have identified the proceeds of crime also. And those property, those orders have been confirmed, my lord. Then, my lord, with respect of various persons.
What acquisition is this?
The airport, my lord, expansion.
Hubli Airport.
Yeah, Hubli. And various other acquisition also, my lord. It is not with respect of one particular
Whole
acquisition.
allegation appears to be, my lord, certain
My lord,
components.
serial number 2, my lord, FIR 0072 of 2023. That is one more FIR which they say that it has been stayed, my lord. Then the amount involved is 20 lakh rupees, my lord. The third FIR, that is with respect of one particular lady whose name has been misused, and then the amount has been received, my lord. She has given the complaint. The fourth one, my lord.
We are not
No, sir.
Total,
let
sir.
me-
Yes,
ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ, ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
charge sheet ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲೂ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
No. Only in 2 cases. We are
My
sharing
lord, we are
the. No, let me.
ಅಲ್ಲ
complete,
ಸರ್,
sir.
ECIR ಅಲ್ಲ.
With respect of.
Predicate offense ಅಲ್ಲಿ
Yes, ma'am.
ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, FIR?
Charge sheet ಆಗಿದೆ 271 and 72. 251 and 72. Charge sheet ಆಗಿದೆ, which is stayed.
CC ನೇ ಸ್ಟೇ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
Special case ಒಂದು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು CC.
ಆಯ್ತು.
Remaining, I'm not an accused. So I can't even seek for his
Sir, we are collecting the information with various authority. We are sharing the information under section
66.
2, and only thereafter these FIRs are being filed. and how we have conducted the investigation, how we have taken the help of the Aadhaar system, all those things I will explain, my lord. And this is not a simple type of case, my lord, because I just want to explain. For that reason, there are various judicial order also has been passed by this honorable court, so that we can investigate into the matter and we can collect the information from the UDI authority, so that, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Investigation complete, complaint filed. ಈಗ complaint ಇದು.
ಅಲ್ಲ, various orders are passed by this court.
After filing of complaint.
Complaint ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ investigation.
And thereafter further investigation we have conducted. This is one order which was passed by this honorable court, my lord. After filing of the original complaint, and with respect of, we identified the fictitious Aadhaar cards, my lord. And he is the
Petitions are allowed.
Yes, my lord. Only thereafter we could continue the investigation and go to the UDI's office and collect the information, how it has been created. And thereafter, my lord, involvement of this particular person came to knowledge.
How did they do it?
My lord,
Fake Aadhaar card.
Yes, my lord, fake Aadhaar card. On the basis of fake Aadhaar card, they will open the IDBI account. Thereafter, my lord, in collusion with the KIDB official, they will create the records. And on that basis, they will collect the money. And some of the cases, my lord, there are already compensation has been given 20 years back. Those documents have been further created. And thereafter, they have collected the money.
Now again compensation.
Yes, my lord. Double compensation is one issue. I request my lords to kindly take what all the investigation has revealed. I have explained in page number 115.
Anyway, legal issue will answer. Legal issue, whether it should continue or not.
Yes, my lord. Page number 115. Then only, my lord, his involvement can be appreciated, my lord. And how we have conducted the investigation. He is involved in all the cases. My lord, the 9.3, my lord. The investigation in case revealed the use of the following modus operandi to siphon of money in the cases. Fraudulently withdrawing of duplicate compensation in respect of land which is already been acquired and compensation paid. Fraudulently withdrawing of compensation into bank accounts opened with fake identities created in the name of landowners, losers, without their knowledge. Fraudulently withdrawing of compensation in the name of persons who are not actual owner of the land. Fraudulent, even in the government's name, they have received the money. Fraudulently withdrawing of compensation in respect of land for which ownership is in dispute. Yes, fraudulently withdrawing compensation in respect of government land, that is road, etc.
Now, Madhukar.
Yes,
KDB complaint ellide?
Yes, ma'am. KDB complaint, my lords, would find in the petition compilation, my lord.
I am, yes, Choda sir. Sunil Kumar, ellide complaint. KDB complaint elli?
In the petition itself.
The FIR, my lords, would find at page number 239.
239?
Yes, ma'am. The one complaint they have produced, my lord, that is
251, my lord. This is in crime number 251.
Adu kodi, 251.
That is at page 239. Even if that initially I was not an accused, but subsequently at the
That's all
charge
right.
sheet
I
I am
just
an
want to
accused.
see the complaint.
Yes, 266 is the gist of the investigation in the charge sheet.
Complaint illa illi.
Complete one nimsha, my lord. Just after the FIR.
Ellide Madhukar? Complaint?
Complaint 239 is the FIR, my lord.
239 is the FIR, correct?
Yes, my lord. Then gist of the investigation, my lords would find at page number 266. Specifically, his name is mentioned.
My lords, the complaint was given by the present SLAO who was there at that point of time, saying from our records it revealed that there's a case of double compensation. We suspect these people, investigate against them. That's a short complaint which was given. On investigation, my lords, what we get at page 266 is column 17, where it has been done. Now, my lords, they've filed a complaint and they've also filed a supplementary complaint.
Now, one more clarification. Amount yar account ku hogide?
My lords, in all, total number of persons are about 64. 42 in ECIR, 26 in the main predicate offense.
All right. Our account gella hogide?
Our accounting, allegation in the charge sheet is, some of them have got certain amount. They've done it, my lords.
Correct.
Because
ಈಗ 20 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಕಾಂಪನ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಕಾಂಪನ್ಸೇಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ
Allegation, ಹೌದು.
ಬೈ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿಂಗ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಸೊ there is double compensation.
Case of double compensation.
It's case of double compensation.
My lords.
And total is 64 crores.
Yes, my lords.
So
According,
64 koti from the coffers of the KIDB has gone twice over.
how, that's the case. That's their case, my lords. That's the case. And according to them, 26 persons in the predicate offense.
So this is in connivance with the KIDB.
Yes, yes,
KIDB.
They have been also arrested.
The A1 is SLAO. The then SLAO is A1. Now, my lords, my respectful submission is what my lords may consider is, if there is stay of that, my lords, it's like
No,
putting
legal
the,
question.
my lords,
I
if
just
we-
wanted to know the
just
facts.
one aspect, my lords, is like putting the cart before the horse.
Correct.
Now, if ECIR is allowed to continue, if this complaint
And
is allowed,
tomorrow that gets quashed.
process, my lords, proceeds of crime, unless it's going to be established, my lords. My respectful submission, Vijay Madalal Chowdhury, my lords, basic thing required for PMLA.
These are not the owners of the land even?
No.
You are not
The
owner?
person
No,
who
no,
has
no.
received is also a fictitious person. They are not aware that their account has been opened. Their photo has been, the.
Photoshop
Yes,
ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು
yes,
ಬಿಡಿ.
yes, my lord. All those things have happened. Only because this honorable court passed an order, that is the order which I am placing on Reliance. We could have gone to the UDI center, my lord. We could have collected the information, then his role could have been asserted.
And I could even clarify, my lord, so far as the petitioner is concerned, it's not a case of forgery. It was sent to FSL, it was found that it is not his. So
But
far as the
how
petitioner,
much money, how much compensation you have received?
my lords, amongst charge sheet ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ? Charge sheet you have the 25.
ಅಲ್ಲ,
My lords,
predicate offense ಅಲ್ಲಿ-
predicate offense ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ECIR ಅಲ್ಲಿ they say 1.20 crores is what they say in the ECIR. Predicate offense, it is not there.
Your land has been acquired?
Not my land. My land is not been acquired.
How did you receive
My lords, they're
compensation?
saying I was in connivance with all this. All of us put
Oh, so
together have done
ನಿಮಗೆ-
this scam and we have distributed this amount amongst ourselves. This is how
ನಿಮಗೆ
it is.
share?
Adralli, in the predicate offense, it is not their share. Here they say 1.20 crores
Share,
share.
malamal.
That's what they say in this one. So what was not there in the predicate offense. So my lords, on the aspect, legal aspect, I'll just.
Legal aspect,
I'm
please.
sure
Yes.
my lords should have known all these judgments, but I'm just placing it on this.
ಕೊಡಿ.
And mainly it's based on why Balaji, my lords.
Why Balaji?
Because Senthil Balaji is different, why Balaji is different. Why Balaji went behind Senthil Balaji? They were opponents actually. So even we thought initially, my lords, all this was only Senthil Balaji.
That's why I said why Balaji?
Why Balaji? And that, my lords, in Umar Reddy's case, my lords considered. And the point is, my lords.
This is a very important thing.
Yes.
Pipin is watching. Yes. ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
My lords, what actually happens, my lords, my understanding of PMLA, as pointed out even by my lords, once you have a predicate offense, you have proceeds of crime. With that, PMLA doesn't start. On the proceeds of crime, if there's an activity or process, then
No.
PMLA commences.
The ECIR can be registered or the enforcement directorate can
With
spring.
FIR.
They do not have independent legs to stand.
No.
It is only on a
Scheduled
predicate
offenses.
offense. They
Scheduled
have to
offenses.
stand on the predicate offense.
Yes.
Now, if the predicate offense is stayed, it is that ECIR cannot continue, is what we have to answer. I've answered in few cases.
In few cases.
And we'll see what the
My
effects.
lords has held, it is not a case of quashment, it's a case of keeping it in pause.
Correct, that's what I've said. It remains in suspension.
Yes, ma'am.
Till the
The
closure.
usage of the language, I think, is eclipsed.
No, unless, unless.
Does not elapse.
If it is, no, that's not how I have said. If the
left
predicate offense is eclipsed and not extinguished.
Extinguished, yes, my lords, extinguished. So you have to keep it on pause, waiting for the outcome of it. That's how my lords has said. So my lords, all we are saying is, till the stay is there, protect me. If the stay is going to be vacated, they proceed further. But by continuing with this trial, my lords, when there is a stay of a predicate offense, then my lords, the consequences as held by the division bench of Madras High Court, which my lords also has considered in Umar Reddy's case, my lords. They have considered the effect of stay.
Supreme Court has reversed that.
No,
Or rather clarified in. clarified in
Yes,
Senthil Balaji.
Yes, my lords.
Not Y
Clarified.
Balaji, Senthil Balaji.
Balaji it has been
But they don't,
In Senthil Balaji, they have considered.
They have clarified
my
that.
lords, the position,
Shanmugam's judgment,
Yes, ma'am.
which I relied on in Umareddy,
Yes, ma'am.
is clarified in Senthil Balaji.
but not reversing it.
No, but it's clarified, it can continue. Anta. Y went on a different.
Yes, my lord. Senthil Balaji, then what they did, Supreme Court is, they first considered the predicate offense. They said stay in that is now vacated. So now we don't have anything
Correct.
to.
By then Shanmugam's stay was vacated.
That's what happened in that. But the position, my lord, stands the same. The position stands, if there's going to be a stay of the predicate offense, then this remains paused.
This requires an answer. We'll
Please, my
answer.
lords.
Yes.
That's the 24th day. There's a non-bailable warrant which has been issued, my lords. Protect me till then, my lord. Still, my lords
Question
considers the
does not
matter.
arise, my lord, because he is supposed to approach the regular court, my lord. He is supposed
If
to
there's
seek
a
the bail
legal
waiver.
point involved, my lords, here. on
Real
the-
point.
Legal aspect.
point.
No, I will argue, my lord. I will
Because it's on
argue on the
24th.
all the points. Sir.
No,
And there are two
I'll-
division bench
24th
judgment.
Kodat Kashta by
Let them not precipitate, my
Monday or
lords.
Tuesday will grant. Anticipatory bail ಯಾವತ್ತಿದೆ?
Anticipatory
they
bail ಹೋಗಿದೆ.
rejected.
They rejected, my lords.
ಮತ್ತೆ file 439. 438, yes. ಧಾರವಾಡದಲ್ಲಲ್ವಾ? Okay.
ED's court in Mangalore, my lord.
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹಾಕಿ. ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಅದು ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ.
ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ.
Lord, my
ಬೇಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್.
So, my lords, could I make one request, my lords? I'll make one request. My lords, if it's not going to be unreasonable, my lords, can I make a request?
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಲ್
My
ಕೋರ್ಟ್
lords,
ಹೋಗಲ್ವಾ?
my lords, we can't tell it, Lord. My lord, can I make one request, my lords? I will go before the consent court itself, my lords, and I will seek for recalling of the NBW. It could be considered on the same day, my lords.
ಯಾವ್ದು?
The bail application, I'll file an application 72, as well as I'll file an application for bail before the same court. All the other accused are on bail.
So you don't need
All-
you don't
all-
need to answer this?
This needs to be answered. First, so far as stay of proceedings, it needs to be answered. But so far as my liberty is concerned, my lords, before the court, I'll go before the court, file an application for recalling and file my application for bail. All I request is consideration of it on the same day. That could be done, my lords. I'm not.
ಯಾವತ್ತು anticipatory bill ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
Lord, just 15 days back.
6/12 ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
6/12. NBW,
6/12 ಗೆ?
yes, ma'am.
Because what
NBW
happened-
issued on 30th December. Thereafter on 9/1 this.
6/12 ಆದ್ರೆ ವೆಕೇಶನ್ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಇತ್ತು.
ರಜೆ ಬಂತು.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ರಜೆ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಈಗಿರೋ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಇದೆ. ಏನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್?
Lord, my
Tumba
humble submission is this. My Lord, my humble submission is this, my lord. My Lord, my submission is this, my lord. My Lord, all the accused are on bail, my lord, except accused number 1.
No.
All
I
the
have
accused-
other
my lord,
accused.
my lord,
Already there is a
Lord,
rejection
I-
order. I will place those orders
Lord,
also.
all including 2,
Madhukar,
3, 4,
all
my lord,
are on
all the
bail.
accused are
No
on bail
problem,
except
but
my lord,
those who
accused
are
number 1 and
mastermind,
accused number
they are,
22, my
with
lord.
respect of
My lord,
that.
all the accused, my lord, appeared
Only
before the
A1.
court on the very same day. My lord,
Only
the court has
A1,
granted them bail on-
A23 and A9.
My lord, I will appear before on 24th, my
ನೀವು
lord.
ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ.
ನಾ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವತ್ತಿಂದ ಅವತ್ತೇ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಒಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಂದಿನ ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ
Let,
ಅಲ್ಲಿ
let,
ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
let them challenge that order, my lord.
Let them consider
Because
my
that
application.
concession,
No,
that particular fact was not disclosed only after my arguing. They are informing about this court, that particular order. And rejection also, they did not, they have not mentioned in the petition. I am also placing on record Prem Shankar judgment also. Prem Shankar, the Supreme Court has held that when a particular person has suppressed these type of material facts, in such type of instances, indulgence should not be shown to them. And this is a classic
This
case.
for
my
that
lord.
court to consider.
Yes, ma'am. This is a classic case, my lord. In any other case, I would have agreed, but this is a very classic case of money laundering.
Heard the learned senior counsel, Sandesh Chowta appearing for the petitioner along with Sunil Kumar and Avinash Angadi. And the learned counsel Madhukar Deshpande representing the enforcement directorate. The learned senior counsel taking this court to the documents appended to the petition as also the judgments rendered by the apex court and this court would seek to contend that once the predicate offense is stayed, the investigation or continuance of trial in the ECIR should be interdicted. The learned senior counsel places reliance upon the judgment rendered by this court in the case of Umareddy, where this court has held that once once the predicate offense stands eclipsed but not extinguished, the offense under the ECIR should not be permitted to be continued. Both the counsel for the senior counsel of the petitioner and the respondent have relied on several judgments which would necessarily, which requires consideration. Therefore, heard reserved. The learned
But I
senior
need to
counsel.
file objection. I need
ಬೇಡವಾ?
to file detail objection.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ? Next week ಹಾಕ್ಲಾ? I thought.
Because because it's serious matter, my lord. I have the
I think
instruction.
all matters of PMLA are serious.
No,
Manoj. No, not one matter is not serious as such.
I need to file the objection. Day before yesterday, it was listed, my lord. I have collected all this information, and on that basis, I am making my submissions.
I'm not permitting, I'm not waiting for filing of statement of objections, Alva.
Because it would be difficult, my lord, for that reason.
You don't understand, yes.
At least 2 days, my lord, I will file my objection.
Protect me, Manoj. Delhi files. Protect
The
me till
question
he
does
files
not
the
arise.
statement
With
of
respect of
objection.
interim prayer, I am ready to address the argument, my lord. Interim application. what?
Sir, we'll see. I can't protect you by stay or something. You file applications there.
To be considered the same day.
The learned counsel Madhukar Deshpande submits that he would want week's time.
Yes, ma'am.
A week's time at least to file his statement of objections as the facts are elaborate according to him. List the matter on
Wednesday, my lord.
28 in the fresh matters list. Objections, if any, by then. The learned senior counsel seeks an interim order of stay, which can be granted or considered to be granted only after the objections come on place. The learned senior counsel submits anticipatory bail application has been rejected, and therefore they would be taken into custody. They taken into custody and seeks and submits that he would file an application seeking recall of
NBW,
NBW that is now issued before the concerned court.
And a bail application.
Or whatever, so and so. If the petitioner would approach the concerned court, it is for the concerned court to answer the same in accordance with law without broking any delay. Yes.
Could it be on the same day, Manoj?
Without broking any delay.
How Dowry time to country, it is a case of going inside.
Inside the court.
Allah, not inside the court. Because, Manoj, even as soon as you surrender and file bail, Manoj, if one day also if it goes for you will go behind bars.
It is needless to observe that the concerned court shall answer the application after permitting after hearing the respondents also, if possible, on the same day.
Please.
As far as possible.
Yes, we'll request, my lords. Say, my lords also felt as far as possible. Oblige.
How far? Dharwad.
Adu Mangalore, my lord.
Mangalore, so far as possible.
So far as possible.
Yes.
My lords, I'm sorry, my lords. Instructing counsel just says his marriage is on 8th.
That is why, my lord. Because all the accused, my lord, have been, my lord, I am out.
Whose marriage is on 8th?
8th, my lord. Because
so
he
you
is
are
out.
getting married on 8th.
No, my lord. My lord, he is out on predicate offense, my lord. My lord, and everybody, my lord, including accused number 2 to other till end, my lord. All the
8th February alva. 24th th ನೀವು ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದಿದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ.
Anyway, my lords, we'll get back to the court after 20.
ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಹೇಳಿ ಮದುವೆ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ.
ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Oblige.
Please.
ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಅವರು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ 8 ತಾನೆ ಅಷ್ಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ ಬಿಡಿ. Sir, ಯಾವುದು?
My lord, one matter for settlement I had submitted to your lordship. My lord, offense is 304B. My lord, before accepting, my lord, your lordship wants to hear, my lord, the merits of the case, which is listed today, my lord, 56 serial number.
I need time, my lord. I file objection for this matter.
My lord, only 1 minute, my lord, I can submit regarding merits of the
ಅಲ್ಲ
case.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಇರೋದು?
My lord, here husband, my lord, in-laws and 2 accused, my lord, out of family. My lord, settled law it is. 498,
two accused out of family we can
Out of family, my lord, accused number 5 and 6, my lord, it will not constitute offense at all.
Oh, problem is 304B, Supreme Court says.
304B, my lord, that the facts, your
settlement,
lordship, that death has occurred in her parents' house. In her parents' house, and within, my lord, 4 or 5 months after the marriage, my lord, she committed suicide. Marriage was not consummated. There was no understanding between them. And my lord, she returned, my lord, from US, my lord, on 19th. After 6 days, my lord, in her house, my lord, she committed suicide. There is no act of any of these accused. No, after knowing all this, my lord, even the parents of the deceased, they have come to terms, my lord, to see that it is quashed. My lord, there is no objection, my
so
lord.
since it
And
is-
she had left a death note. No one is responsible for my death. Death note is also there. And my lord, in the FIR, my lord, no allegation of dowry demand, or it is not, my lord, allegation of constituting offense of 304B.
I'll file my objection, my lord. I need to file my objection. I think some time, my lord. to file
No,
my
because it is 304B, I am not accepting it straight
304B,
away.
my lord, it is in the subsequent complaint, my lord, it is invoked.
No, whatever.
In
Pasha
the
sir.
FIR, my lord,
I have
there is no-
granted an interim order already.
Well, interim order is there,
Interim
my
order
lord,
ಇದೆ.
that they
So ನೀವು
here-
settle ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಕ್ಕೆ, let him take some time, file objections. I will close it, but interim order is already there.
Interim order is there, my lord. Husband, my lord, was employed in US bank, my lord. He wants to go back to my lord.
No,
He
you
has
can't
been
go to
given
US. Well,
well, there is no offense, my lord, that both the
ಅಲ್ಲ
family.
ಇದಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ, even otherwise.
Yes.
Yes.
Lakshmi, kindly, this may be considered, my lord, because they have reached for the terms, your lordship.
I will give him 2-3 days time, let him file
Please.
objection.
My lord, on 27th, your lordship.
27th ಆಗಲ್ಲ sir. 27th, there are already 300 or 400, difficult.
First week, my lord.
I'll take it on 3rd February.
28th, your lordship.
ಅಲ್ಲ 3rd February up to 7 o'clock I'll sit, not a problem, we can do it. ಅವಾಗ interviews ಮುಗ್ದೋಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. We'll hear him and then pass orders. Till that day.
Please.
Hmm?
Otherwise, on
We'll see, interim
31st
orders
is-
are there.
31st sitting day, my lord, your lordship.
31st also we can.
First week, 31st there is some.
31st is sitting day, ನೋಡಿ ಅದ್ರ.
Some
ಅದು 3 ದಿನ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? It's only
ಆಗ್ಬೋದಾ?
3rd February.
3rd February.
List the matter on 3rd February.
Fresh matters, lord, your lordship.
File ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ, fresh matters.
Item 57 and 58, my lords. Item 57 and 58, my lords. This is, my lords, where we in.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ, I'll call all the cases.
I'm sorry.
2:30 ದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ?
This matter, my lord.
ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಒಂದು ಪಾಸ್ ಓವರ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು.
This is the matter, my lord. Only issue consequential order is the problem. Otherwise, the rest
Yes,
of the order is not a
Arun
problem.
Sham sir.
Page 36, my lord, the consequential order is the problem.
ಈಗ interim order ಇಲ್ವಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಏನಾಗಿದೆ,
Sir, ನಮ್ದು
state has filed this 482
Coca.
petition.
Yes, yes.
Coca was, my lord, invoked. In the sense, my lord, they only sought permission. It was not mentioned in the charge sheet. My lord, the special court, my lord, returned the file.
It is sent back to.
Sent back. My lord, what happens is, my lord, on 19th.
It can't be sent back, is saying, you are
That
saying.
is what they are saying, my lord, that it has to be there. Now, my lord, ultimately, now charge sheet has been filed, additional charge sheet. There they invoked Coca. Therefore, today it has to go back.
No. What happens, my lord? Initially, FIR was registered. Coca was invoked. When Coca was invoked, the case was transferred to special
No,
court.
not invocation, my lord. My
Coca
learned
was
friend,
invoked.
it is only permission accorded by the
That's correct.
IGP.
That's correct.
That's not invocation of Coca.
That's an invocation.
Permission accord ಆದ್ರೆ invocation is an act.
ಅದಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
Print ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅದು. Permission is most important.
Print ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
So thereafter, my
ಎಲ್ಲೂ
lord, it was
ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ.
pending before special court. The prosecution made an application seeking for extension of time. According to me, it was not needed. The trial court rightly rejected it. Consequently, trial court said that since extension time is not been granted, you go back to the special regular court. That consequential order is problem. Your lordship needs section 11 of Coca Act. The case can go back to the regular court only upon taking cognizance by the special court and after noticing that Coca is not exist. So therefore, only consequential order is the problem. Now anyway, charge sheet is also filed.
No, it's later invoked. ಇರಲ್ಲ Coca. Straight away Coca, see, straight away Coca invoke ಮಾಡೋದು very rare cases.
That's correct, my lord.
Right, anyway, the court has sent it back. We need to answer this, not today. ಈಗ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ Coca invoke ಮಾಡಾಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ.
In fact, my lord, your lordship may see my the list of dates, my lord. Page. No.
ಆಯ್ತು ಹಾಕಿ.
On 19th,
No.
matter was posted for orders. After that, they filed the additional charge sheet invoking Coca. And they now make allegation against the court.
No, we're not making allegation against the court.
My charge sheet has not been taken. It has been rejected. That's what the pleading says. But that cannot be brought because there is no reference to their charge sheet. On 19th, my lord, the matter was.
So your lordship can, no problem, your lordship can hear this matter, length, no problem. Your lordship has.
Now, one ನಿಮಿಷ, now that Coca is already invoked, this, has this not become academic now?
Yes,
No, but the matter is before the non-Coca court.
No, it has to go back to the
That's all
regular
we're
court.
asking. That's all we're asking.
That is, then I will pass that order. It goes back to this.
That's all.
Why should we answer
That's
this?
all. You don't need to answer anything.
The petitioner is before this court seeking the following prayer. Heard the learned senior counsel Arun Sham appearing for the petitioner.
Hello.
Oh, sorry, heard Learned Sham appearing for the rest. Sorry, learned additional SPP appearing for the petitioner and learned senior counsel Arun Sham representing the respondent. The state is before the court calling in question an order passed by the concerned court which remits the matter back to the hands of the second additional, back to the hands of the court of session to for invocation of Kokana, Allah. Back to the court. The learned senior counsel submits that after the remand, the additional charge sheet is filed now, invoking the provision offences under the Coca Act. Therefore, the subject petition has become academic. The learned additional SPP submits that the error is now the matter in which Coca is invoked is being tried by a general court and not a special court, which a court of session which had to try the offences under the Coca Act. While the learned senior counsel would accept the same. Therefore, I deem it appropriate to dispose the subject petition with a direction to the concerned court to transmit the matter to the court empowered to hear the offences under the Coca inter alia, ordered accordingly, without broking any delay, ordered accordingly.
Same, my lord, the one issue, my lord, that it should not be repeated tomorrow, my lord, that therefore your lordship may add one para.
I know.
Your lordship, with the section 11, once the matter invocation of Coca goes to special court, and special court cannot send it back without.
I will not do that. We'll do this way. The learned, last para on haki, madam. The learned additional SPP submits that the procedure that is followed by the concerned court is an error and would pose as a precedent, and the order of the concerned court runs counter to section 11 of the Coca Act. While the said issue can be decided in an appropriate case, in an appropriate case, leaving the said issue open to be decided in an appropriate case, I deem it appropriate to direct the concerned court to pass necessary orders without broking any delay to transmit the case to the court empowered to hear the cases of Coca. Yes. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ Yes. All contentions of both the parties shall remain open to be urged before the competent fora at the appropriate time. Yes.
Preliminary hearing 40.
ಕರ್ಬಿಡಿ
40.
ಈಗ ತಗೊಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. I'll call ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ 40 ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ 25 40 preliminary hearing. All right, list the matter on 4th February. Interim order subsisting will continue till the next date of hearing. Halima madam entry ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ ಆಯ್ತು 11th. Yes, 11th madam JY. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ 41 same 11th. Next 41 ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ, ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಅದು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ. Yes, no entry order, that also will continue. Yes, next ಅದು 11th. Next ಆಯ್ತು. Yes, yes.
42.
ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ 27th in the fresh matters list. Yes, ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ತಾನೆ.
ಹೌದು, ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್.
43 ಸಮೀರ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿ? ಏನ್ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್? Oh, this requires consideration. Wait, not on 27th. We'll take it on Thursday, madam, 28th, 39th. 29th. List on 29th. Yes. Preliminary hearing. Yes. Yes, yes. Next.
44.
I have served the copy on Lokayukta Council. Therefore, the respondent, my lords, will
ಏನ್
file
ವಿನಾಯಕ್
objections, my lords.
7A?
It's a failed trap, my lord.
Failed
Exoneration,
trap, ah?
Please, my lords.
exoneration
Exoneration.
on merits, not on technical grounds.
13 will not become applicable?
Not at all, my lords. 7th
No, six,
sanction
my lords.
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ after the exoneration.
There is a one more.
26 SSC online SC page 13 will not
My lords,
become.
I'll differentiate that.
ಅದೇ ಆಶು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ.
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಫೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ. ರಾಧೇಶ್ಯಾಮ್ದು ಪ್ಯಾರಾ 38(7). They've cited that and said technical grounds iddre it can continue.
They quote on in the peculiar facts of this case we are doing
Yes,
it ಅಂತ.
yes. And ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ because the trap ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾನರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಾ?
ಟ್ರಾಪ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಫೇಲ್ಡ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್?
ಫೇಲ್ಡ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್.
Yes, please, lordship. Have it on 6th, my lord, we'll
ಈಗ
file.
ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ?
My lords, no sanction is issued, granted after.
Yes. The issue relates, stay ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲ.
The issue relates to a trap that has been failed. The petitioner has neither demanded nor accepted any amount. The learned counsel Vinayak Pandit appearing for the petitioner submits that sanction is now accorded after
Inquiry report, but before.
The learned counsel for the petitioner would submit that on the same set of facts, the petitioner was proceeded departmentally. And in the departmental inquiry, he is exonerated not on technical grounds, but on the merit of the matter by examining those very witnesses now who are wanting to be examined in the criminal case. In that light, the issue stands answered by the judgment rendered by the apex court in the case of Ashu Surendranath Tiwari 2029 SCC page 636. The learned counsel for the respondent submits that the said judgment would not be applicable to the facts of the case in the light of the subsequent judgment of the apex court in the case of Chandrasekhar so and so 2026 SCC online SC page 13. The matter requires consideration as the very judgment in the case of Chandrasekhar does not consider Ashu, but also holds that they are rendering the judgment in the peculiar facts of the case, as the exoneration there was on technical grounds, not on merit, as is in the case at hand, apart from the fact that the issue is a failed trap. In that light, further proceedings shall remain stayed till the next date.
Much obliged.
Have it on 6th,
The
my lord.
respondent is at liberty to seek vacation of the interim order.
Have it on 6th, my lords.
Objections, if any, by the next date, list the matter on 11th, 12th.
Yes, please.
Much obliged.
Orders 45.
Petitioner,
Hence, ಸ್ವರೂಪ್ ಇದು?
ಎರಡು objections ಇದೆ. That is because of my prayer 2.
Comply ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, I have asked for deleting a prayer 2.
Office objection, the learned counsel submits prayer 2. You would not press upon prayer 2.
So these objections would not.
Office objections thus stand overruled.
Much obliged.
List the matter for admission on 3rd.
Much obliged.
Yes, next.
46.
Sunil,
Well, that's one of the.
ಇದು ಯಾರೋ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ನಿನ್ನೆ? ಸುನಿಲ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
Just left my lords.
ಹಾ.
One of the other connected matter is on 5th, my lords.
ಅದೇ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪೆಟಿಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಡಿ.
Yes.
5th, yes.
47.
2 weeks time to do the needful. Next.
48. Await service.
Post immediately after service of notice upon the respondent.
49.
Petitioner.
2 weeks time to do the needful, madam, objection comply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ I will not take it.
Since last 1 year, my lord, they are not served copy. Last 1 year. my lord.
I have filed objection,
Kindly
my lord.
ಕಾಪಿ ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ
1
ಮೇಡಮ್.
year. This matter was.
ಈಗಲೇ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಈಗ ಸಿಕ್ತಲ್ಲ ಕಾಪಿ? ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ?
Please.
Yes.
Hit by Meenakshi Bala.
ಮೀನಾಕ್ಷಿ ಬಾಲ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಆಗೋಗಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಹೌದು,
Even
ಆದ
madam,
ನಂತರ
Kindly.
ನೀವು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಆದ ನಂತರ ಹಾಕಿರೋ ಪೆಟಿಷನ್ ನ ಮುಂಚೆ ಹಾಕಿರುವುದಾ?
ನಂತರ
After filing charge,
After framing of charge.
I make one submission.
ಇಲ್ಲ,
Lord,
after
before taking the interim order, my lord, before this honorable court, I brought to the notice, my lord, lordship. Thereafter, my lord, this honorable court granted interim order.
No, Supreme Court says it, you should not interfere.
No, my lord.
Once was
My lord,
issued,
I have
CW1.
a citation, my lord.
I have been following a pattern.
Recent judgment, December, my lord.
ಗೊತ್ತು. Yes, I have been following a pattern.
49.
ಆಯ್ತು, anyway, take it on, we'll take it on 5th.
Interim order may be extended.
ಯಾವ್ದು ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನಿದು?
49.
4th, yes. ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Interim order subsequent, list the matter on copy ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, office objections have been complied with, list the matter on 4th for admission. I vote till then. Next. Withdrawal, yes, next. in terms of memo.
51.
Deepak Bhaskar,
There's an interim order for A2 to A5.
what are these office objections? Nimdo.
Served copy.
Sir, ಮಾಡಿದಾರಾ?
We've got a copy.
Office objections is regarding non-service of copy of the objections to the petitioner. Land Council submits a copy has been served. Therefore, the office objections have been complied with. An interim order.
But there's an interim order operating in favor of A2 to A5. A1, this honorable court said after objections will consider.
498, eh?
Illa. This is a data theft, purported data theft.
Data theft.
Howdy. Covered squarely by your lordship judgment in Silicon.
I will point out from the complaint. It's not covered.
24, 11th, interim order extend till the next date. Yes.
Great.
52.
Fortune chits.
File the adjournment, serve the copy to the advocate who is on record before the.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವರಲ್ವಾ?
ಅವರಿಲ್ಲ. Private complaint.
Karnataka Council, ಅದು registry file ಮಾಡಿ.
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ already 8 itself.
No problem. List the matter 24 ಅಲ್ಲ, list the matter on 11th. Yes.
Interim order.
Interim order continue. Yes, next.
53.
Withdrawal, next.
54.
Withdrawal.
55. Await.
Post immediately after service of notice upon the respondent. Interim order continue ಮಾಡಿ. Next.
56. Adjourn. 57.
My lord, this is a case, my lords.
Puppies Tours and Travels.
Correct, my lords. This is where we are challenging the search by the ED.
You
and the
arrange
CG.
travel puppies, is it?
No, that's the name of the
Name,
company.
all right.
My lords, we are, in this case, my lord, the only surviving predicate offense, there is a closure report filed. Way back
ಇದು
in
ECIR,
ECIR, my lords.
There is another affair, they are aware of it, it is. in
No,
Bhopal.
at the date of the search, I have challenged the
Bhopal,
search, my lords.
Let it be taken, my lords, in the first week of February.
No.
Take it, we'll take it.
My lords, my
They are
submission.
aware of it. If they.
No, my lords, my
information.
my submission.
What is the offense here?
Offense, my lords, its whole surviving predicate offense, one FIR, way back in 2022. I am not named in that FIR. There is a closure report filed in 2022. The offense is of only rupees 30,000. And now, so far as my lords, the ED is concerned, I am challenging the
So
search.
in all these cases, I'm seeing one pattern. ಇಲ್ಲ 10,000, 20,000, 30,000 complaint. ED ಮಾತ್ರ crores together recover ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
My lords, that
Or
is
release
only,
ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
as my lords had told in
Tip of the
case,
iceberg.
it's only tip of the iceberg, lordship.
My lords,
Tip of
now,
the iceberg
what
is
I
only
have
told.
today challenged, my lords, is the search. On the day of search, they do not have any reasons to believe is my point.
That's all.
They may have included 100 FIRs thereafter, my lords. That is what they do in every case. Today, what I am challenging, do they have the reasons to search on the day when they have conducted the search? My lords may kindly see their freezing order. There is not even a single averment. And in fact, my lords, they have to pass an order under 20 sub clause 2. That's the retention order. They have not passed that.
That is pending before adjudication
no,
authority. my lords.
So there is limitation to pass that also.
My lords, all the.
They have not
my lords,
passed.
All the grounds.
The authority
and
could
the
not
dates
issue
and
8-1.
the prayers, it is all pending before adjudication
No,
authority.
they can't decide this issue.
They have it on 5th. That is the reason.
That's
they are
why
coming.
What is on 5th?
Before the adjudication authority.
That's for final hearing, my lord. That's why I'm saying
Everything is
stay
there.
the authority's
The grounds, the
proceedings.
prayers, everything is
Let
before
the
the same
Caesar
thing.
continue. I'm not going any prejudice to them. Let the Caesar continue. Stay the proceedings before the authority. We will argue the
ASG is
matter, my
appear-
lords, on the next date. Let
ASG
them
is
file the
appearing in
reply.
this matter, my lords. ASG is appearing in this matter. But one
Otherwise, my
submission-
petition becomes infructuous.
One submission on record, my lords, they told that there is no other predicate offense. There is a predicate offense in Cyber Cell Madhya Pradesh 153 of 2025, 8.8 crores, which they are like, they are not, they're suppressing it. That they know, they have
Does
applied.
not even form
they have-
part of their
they have-
prosecution complaint.
No, that is addendum of ECR, it is there.
That
They are
addendum
suppressing
never
the
served.
information. They're suppressing the
On the
information.
date of search, nothing was there.
Addendum can be
Because
done.
they are
Let it be
after-
taken
When
up.
is the next date?
5th, my lords, for final, they will decide and become infructuous. All I'm saying, my lord, stay the proceedings before the authority.
No, stay.
Caesars to
Wait,
continue.
wait.
Their Caesars I'm not touching, my lord. There is no prejudice to them. Their Caesars are anyways continue.
ASG has appeared.
I
We have to
think
take
ASG
instruction.
Barley,
Please kindly.
see, I don't want this petition to be rendered fait accompli by an order passed by the adjudicating officer or whatever it is, when there is a question to be answered. Let him defer it for a week.
My lords, my only
Let him
submission
defer
is-
it for a week. Let him not conclude the proceedings, sir. That's all. I'm not staying it. Let him defer it for 1
That
week.
is on 5th.
ಅದೇ 5th February.
5th February. In time.
The same day, my lords, they
ಎಲ್ಲ
pass the
ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
order, my lord. That is the
week of-
problem.
No, 1 minute.
ನಾವು first week of February ಹಾಕೋಬಹುದು. ASG ಬರ್ಬೇಕು.
ಅಲ್ಲ ASG ಬರ್ಲಿ. ಇದು I'll take it next week ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ. 28, 29 ಆಗಲ್ವೇ?
29.
ಹಾ 29ಕ್ಕೆ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ.
29, please.
ಅಷ್ಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ಹಾಕಿ.
Please.
But you have some personal inconvenience. Problem is, my lords, if the on 5th, we appear or they appear, orders are passed on the very same day.
No, that's all right. 29th will
29th is
hold
fine.
their
As my
hands.
lord- as my lords are suggesting, my lords, if the proceedings, authority before the proceedings
No,
can be
that is
postponed by
5th.
one
I thought
week.
5th is next week. Anyway,
Yeah,
if he comes next week,
29th.
we'll close it next week.
29.
Before 5th commences, 5th comes, we'll close this.
please.
List them, heard you are from which
Mayank
place?
Jain. Mayank Jain.
Mayank Jain.
The next item, my lords.
The learned,
Same
heard the
connected.
learned counsel Mayank Jain appearing for the petitioner and Rajat Nivi Adrale.
I'm in the first matter.
So and so Rajat in the first matter. So the learned counsel Madhu and Rao. Learned objection ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ ಅಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ? The learned
I may give a
counsel.
notice.
Notice ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ? Learned counsel Madhu and Rao accepts notice for the respondent enforcement directorate.
In both the matters.
In both the cases, the objections we filed at least on the interim prayer by the next date.
Please.
List the matter on 29th in the fresh matters list.
My lords, at least subject to the outcome of these proceedings. My only difficulty, my lords, is.
What is
today-
subject to those proceedings?
Those proceedings.
No, that's not a problem. List pendants is always there. You want me
Lords,
to
we have
record that?
today what I have
You want
challenged.
me to record that? I will record that.
My lords, at least record that. And my lords, my
Adjudication proceedings will always remain subject to the result of this petition. As
lords,
simple
another
as that.
important point is, my lords, what I have today challenged is the show cause notice issued by the adjudicating authority.
That is why it is better to close it on the 29th. Yes,
Oblige.
29th will do it. Don't worry.
Oblige.
29th and the fresh matters list. ನಿಮಗೇನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ?
And 30th, I have some personal.
Appear online. Not car and park, you can appear. Yes. 59, maintainability. Why?
File a bail application, the petition.
Bail application ಬರಲ್ಲ.
Urgency is my lord.
ಏನ್ urgency?
My lord.
Bail ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Bail ಹಾಕಿದೀನಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ
ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಏನು offense
ಮ್ಯಾರಿಡ್
ಏನು?
ಕಪಲ್.
Offense ಏನು?
Offense 306 my lord. She is taken treatment from 2022 my lord.
ಏನಕ್ಕೆ?
Sorry,
You are the husband,
I am the husband and parents my lord. See my lord, kindly see the my lord, photo, page number 24 my lord. She is taken treatment in Astor Whitefield Hospital my lord, since 2024. I have records since 2022 my lord. She is suffering from some 24 my lord. It's a prescription my lord. She's taken treatment my lord, and she's taken tablets on total 8 to 9 tablets.
bail ಕೇಳಿದಿರಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? I will not grant.
My lord, I am not pressed the bail application
No,
my lord.
no.
Merits.
And crime is registered on 4126. No, let
I'll
me see
withdraw
the
the my lord, kindly see.
investigation papers.
See my lord, kids photo 3 years, 3.5 years my lord.
ಈಗ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, he's in JC.
He's in JC.
ಹೌದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದಾರೆ ಪಾಪ, ಅವರು ಈಸ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್
Parents
ಮನೇಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಬಿಡಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ
ಅವ್ರನ್ನು ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರ? ಅವ್ರ ಮಗು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕೆ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವರು ಈಗ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನೋಡಿ 3 years
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹತ್ರ ಬಿಡಿ.
ಜೊತೆ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟಿ my lord.
Don't convert this court to a
ಅಲ್ಲ,
bail
ನಾನು
court.
ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸೀಕಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಬೇಲ್ my lord, I am for quashing my lord.
Washing ಆಮೇಲೆ. Yes.
Very urgent my lord,
Very
because of
urgent.
3 years my lord,
The
minor
learned,
daughter my lord, and
no problem.
son is a 4
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ
and a half
bail ಗೆ.
years.
The learned HCGP is directed to accept notice, secure the entire investigation papers and place it before the court, as the crime is registered only on 4/1/2026 for offence punishable under section 108 of the BNS stroke 306 of the earlier regime, the IPC. Yes. ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರ?
Yes, ma'am.
ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, next time no blinking.
Yes, ma'am. 2 days. 2 days, my lords, I will get it.
2 days ಏನ್ ಬೇಡ. I'll take it on 26 ಐದು 25.
Please.
Very short.
26, list the matter on 30th.
I seek for 2 and 3 my lord, parents ಗೆ.
ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಬೇಲ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ?
ಇಲ್ಲ my lord.
ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ.
ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ my lord, date is given on Saturday my lord.
ಯಾವ Saturday?
Next Saturday, coming Saturday.
24th.
24th.
ಅವತ್ತು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಬಿಡಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವತ್ತಿನ್ನೂ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ my lord.
We'll see.
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಆ ಥರ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ. Yes. Next.
Date.
All vacating stay applications on 4th.
Date my lord.
ಯಾವುದು? 30th.
27.
ಇರ್ಲಿ.
27.
ಅದು 26 matter. Interlocutory.
All application will be
All interlocutory applications will repeat on 4th.
My lords, item 61, my lords.
Wait, whichever item is.
Item 61, my lords. There's an arbitration proceedings ongoing between the parties, my lords.
So.
And the copy pasted FIR, my lords. May I request for fresh matter, my lords, on 4th?
No, let it come on.
My lords, and they're taking part in arbitration,
Let
my
it come
lords.
on 4th. Yes.
Can I extend fresh matters, my lords? 4th.
It will come on 4th. For admission will be at the beginning, sir.
My lord 69, my lord.
69 also. Wait.
62,
62 ಯಾವುದು?
16.
14%.
14%. There is an amendment of the petition, seeking the amendment and withdrawing the prayer A and B.
The application for amendment will be considered along with the main matter. Yes, list the matter on same day. Yes, next.
Day after tomorrow.
Fourth, yes.
No, fourth actually, I'm not in the Bangalore.
I am
I'm going
here,
to
sir.
Delhi.
I am here. So 11th.
No, actually, whole of the month I am there in Delhi.
Whenever you're coming back, you tell me. I'll
That
grant.
is on the 18th of March.
List the matter on,
It may be possible if the next
list
week.
the matter on
Because it is simple thing.
26th of March, after 18th of March.
It's very
You are
long.
not there, sir. What to do?
No, next week it may be taken.
Next week,
Because
no
it is-
time. Yes,
It
we'll
is
see.
only simple thing, 28th of this one.
16.
Yes, next.
26 is too long.
No, you are not there, sir. You are on a long vacation. Yes.
60 blood, it is not called.
60?
60.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವತ್ತೆ. Fourth,
Fourth.
sir. 11th ಬೇಕಾ? 11th ಬೇಕಾ? 4th ಬೇಕಾ?
4th.
Yes. ಎಲ್ಲ big group, all those designated days, it will come. Interim orders will continue. 69 ಏನು RP?
My lord, 69, my lord. RP is
Further
my lord.
hearing, wait. Yes. ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅವತ್ತೆ. 66. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಯಾವ ವಿಷಯ ಅದು? Interim order ಇಲ್ವಾ? Interim order ಇಲ್ಲ? 4 weeks ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹಾಕಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. Yes. It will come, it will fix date, wait.
Serial number 64.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ತಾಳಿ.
Lord, serial number 63, my lord.
ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ chaos ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದೊಂದಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Interim order ಇರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕೋಆಪರೇಟ್. Interim order ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ 24th ಯಾವತ್ತು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅವತ್ತು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. 11th.
My lord, serial number 64. I'm for the respondent to kindly 2 weeks adjournment, my lord.
It will come, sir. Don't worry. Yes.
70, my lord, 69, my lord.
69 adjournment ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆನೆ.
72, my lord, we are not informed, my lord.
Senior counsel and Shankarappa took time. G. Krishnamurthy sir and Shankarappa.
My lord, then.
ಅದು ಯಾವತ್ತಿಗೂ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. Yes.
My lord, because I was not informed, my lord, I would only seek for a shorter date, my lord. I was really not informed, my lord. I would not wait for such a long time.
I asked where is the RP?
My lord, I was not informed. Others I would be present. Any short date, my lord, because I have to continue to
No
pay.
problem. You can ask senior counsel and tell me. I'll prepone it. ನಾಳೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಿಕ್ಕರೆ ನಾಳೆ ಕೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿ.
Please, please, ma'am. 70.
Serial number 70, I appear for petitioner, my lords.
ಅವತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಯಾವ್ದು ಮೇಡಮ್? Yes.
Lord, serial number 63, my lord.
You want to withdraw?
No.
Then?
Draw this one.
Interim order ಇದೆ. Yes. Let me continue.
Take one submission, my lord. For 59, take chance 27th, my lord. Saturday bail try ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ 27th ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
Fresh matter ಅಲ್ಲ? ಆಯ್ತು. ಬೇಲ್ ನಾನು ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ Saturday
ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಲಿ. Saturday ಬೇಡ. Let it come on. ಅದು 3 ದಿನ ಏನಾಗೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ.
ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸರ್ಜನ್
ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
3.5 May.
ಆಯ್ತು ಸರಿ. 27th.
Oblige.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 70 ಏನ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್?
70, 13th.
13th